வணக்கம் 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 my dear students. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க my dear students? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? Hope you all are doing great. Hope your preparation is going great. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போற சாப்டர் வந்து binomial theorem. சரியா? So one of the very important chapter, I would say calculation wise a bit lengthy, but there are few subtopics. அதில் calculations கம்மியாக இருக்கும். ஸோ in this chapter நான் shortcuts யூஸ் சொல்லித்தர போகிறேன். at the same time concepts also, I mean the concepts which involves with a lengthy calculation, அது எப்படி டீல் பண்ணுறது அதையும் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போகிறேன். சரியா? ரைட். ஹாய் நவீன், குட் ஈவினிங். ரோஹித், ஹாய் ரோஹித், குட் டு see you ரோஹித். குட் ஈவினிங், குட் ஈவினிங். என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா? எஸ், என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா? ரோஹித், நவீன், ஸ்ரேயஸ். எஸ் 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 ஸ்ரேயஸ், ஸ்ரேயஸ் அதிக பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸ்ரேயஸ் ஆல்ரெடி விவேகம் பேட்ச்ல போயிட்டு இருக்கு. ஸ்ரேயஸ் அதி. கிருத்திகா, ஹாய் கிருத்திகா. மனிஷ் ராஜ், குட் ஈவினிங் மனிஷ் ராஜ். How are you Manish Raj? Pushparaj. Yes 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 yes. Naveen already Vivekam batch la போயிட்டு இருக்கு. Naveen already marathon போயிட்டு இருக்கு. கேக்குதா? Right 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 right. So Genesis, hi 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 hi. Right. சிண்டு எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? சிண்டு நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? Are you all doing great? Are you all doing great or not? Sushinder, hi Sushinder, hi hi. Okay, so இன்னைக்கு as I told binomial theorem da, I'll be teaching with the beautiful tricks. Okay, shortcuts, I mean how to deal the question in a easiest manner. adi பாத்துக்கலாம். சரியா? Sushinder, hi Sushinder, hi 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 hi. Don't spam Sushinder, that many highs. Okay, right. Okay, so மறக்காம இந்த சேனல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்கடா. at the same time உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு கண்டிப்பா இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும். ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் on a content we are delivering here, and at the same time highly expected questions we are going to deliver today, right? Okay, start பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Yes. If you are ready, so say yes in the chat box and put fire symbols in the chat box. Chintu fire and chat box la podanu. Ready ya? Ready sir? Right. Okay. So firstly I'll just tell you what are the concepts in today's class we will be seeing. சரியா? Okay va? So firstly enna general term. So lot of questions have been coming from general term da, just finding the coefficients of so and so term. Sariya? And finding remainder. Okay, and sum of rational and irrational terms. Sariya? Sum of binomial coefficients. So 100% you can mark my words, kandipa idhukku mela question vandrum based on these concepts. Any one of the concept might be coming in your paper. ஸோ நீங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக தயாராக இருக்கணும், கண்டிப்பாக ரொம்ப கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டாக இருக்கணும் பிஃபோர் கெட்டிங் இன் டு த ஏப்ரல் செஷன். ரைட்? ஓகே, ராஜலக்ஷ்மி, ஹாய். கிருத்திகா, ஐ எம் இன் 10th சார், ஐ எம் ஸ்கேர்ட் அபவுட் 11th and 12th JEE. கிருத்திகா, குட் டு நோ and good to see that you are worrying from now onwards, but very important question you are asking me. Sir, I am in 10th. Okay. Don't worry Kritika, you follow us, definitely you are going to get benefit out of this. Okay, don't worry, we will be giving you detailed planner. எப்படி படிக்கணும், எப்படி அப்ரோச் பண்ணணும், ஹாலிடேஸ் எப்படி யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணணும், எந்த சாப்டர்ஸ் நிறைய ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணணும், ஐ மீன் ஹாலிடேஸில் 10th ஹாலிடேஸில் எந்த சாப்டருக்கு மேலே நிறைய ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணணும், அது எல்லாமே. ஸோ we are going to guide you. Please stay tuned, please stay with us. Definitely you are going to see a beautiful result after your 12th. Manish Raj, in the session duration vandu 1.5 hour to 1 hour 45 minutes da. Okay, So because I'm going to discuss beautiful concepts and I've got a lot of questions for you, varieties of questions, all the questions, if you are solving from this session, I'm sure கண்டிப்பா ஒரு ஐடியா வந்துரும். binomial theorem na okay இந்த மாதிரி question கேட்றாங்க. So if you solve this sort of questions, I'm sure you will be able to crack majority of the binomial theorem questions. சரியா? Right. Start பண்ணிக்கலாமா? So from this lesson how many marks? கண்டிப்பா 4 marks வந்துரும் சார். Sir long hour problem solving session பண்ணுங்க. Already பண்ணியாச்சு ரவிசங்கர், already பண்ணியாச்சு. We are doing that only now. Okay? We are doing that only. Okay? चलो. Ganeshingam, hi. Okay. Right. So definitely you will be getting 4 marks from this chapter. 4 marks from this chapter. 100%. Okay, that too from these 4 subtopics. Start பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Right sir. After mains we'll start that. When will you start 11th? When will you start advanced? So 11th completed the lesson already. Okay, peak Tamil, no problem. You just see this, solve these questions. Let's see how many questions you will be able to do it. Peak Tamil, you just have to test yourself. Ninga test பண்ணுங்க. You just put a timer and try to solve by your own. Let us see how many questions you are going to tackle. சரியா? ரவிசங்கர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்போ அந்த செஷன் அந்த மாதிரி கான்செப்ட் எல்லாமே வேணடா. So I'm going to give you important subtopics. அது ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணனும். சரியா? Okay. Right. And that too first we will start with the questions based on coefficients. Questions based on coefficient is nothing but first step என்ன இருக்கும் சார்? First எப்படி சார் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணனும்? ஒரு क्वेश्चन கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட்க்கு மேல வந்துருச்சுனா எப்படி சால்வ் பண்றது, எப்படி அப்ரோச் பண்றது, அது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்டான क्वेश्चन. ஓகேவா? இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்டான क्वेश्चन. என்ன இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்டான क्वेश्चन அட்டெம்ப்ட் பண்றது எப்படி அப்ரோச் பண்ணனும், அது வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். See firstly எப்பவுமே I need to write general term So general term, for example, we all know this. For example, if you have x plus y to the power of n, சரியா? In the expansion la if I have to write general term, how do I write? Tell me. So tr plus 1 is equal to ncr, first term to the power of n minus r, second term to the power of r. சரியா? Hi everything entertainment. Hi. Yes Ravishankar, it is very useful Ravishankar. Pascal's triangle for power of yes speak Tamil and you are right. சரியா? So first and foremost we should do this. ஸ்ரேயஸ் ஆல்ரெடி என்னது விவேகம் பேட்ச்ல போயிட்டு இருக்கு. ஸ்ரேயஸ் இங்க வந்து JEE பண்ணிக்கலாம். JEE ஏப்ரல் அட்டெம்ப்ட்க்கு preparation. சரியா? Okay sir. Sir firstly so we are going to see the question based on the coefficients, right? So wait. Yeah. The first question everybody should see this. The sum of the coefficients of x to the power of 499, x to the power of 500 in this expansion. In the expansion sum of x to the power of 499 and x to the power of 500 coefficients anada. Idu vandu 2026 question da. I will show you how many times these questions have come. 2026 la vandirchi, 2025 la vandirchi, 2024 la vandirchi, 23 la vandirchi. சரியா? So very important. So I am expecting this type of question in April shift as well. April session as well. பாத்துக்கலாம். Sir, how to deal with this? Everything entertainment. Sir, I am your student. Yes, thank you. Happy to see you here. Please, may I know your name? May I please know your name? Yes. Hi. Board exam 578. Hi. டேய் உங்களோட பேர் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்கடா. போர்ட் எக்ஸாம், ஓரியோ மில்க் ஷேக், ப்ரூஸ்லி, விராட் கோஹ்லி, RCB, என்னோட நேம், உங்களோட நேம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த நேம் மென்ஷன் பண்ணடா. This question came in my shift. Shreyas, very good to know that. Shreyas, did you do it or not? Okay. Mitu, hi Mitu, no problem. Please focus here. Right. So let us solve now some of the coefficients as I told. Guys, whenever we get this type of expansion, நம்மளோட basic focus and understanding என்ன இருக்குன்னு தெரியுமா? Firstly, இது ஒரு pattern follower. See, this is following a pattern. என்ன pattern sir? So x to the power 1 plus x to the power of 1000, 1 plus x to the power of 999, then 998 and so on till and so on till what da 0. Sir, isn't this GP sir? Geometric progression dana? Yes sir. Eppadi sir geometric progression? I'll show it to you. Look at the board everyone. Sir, everybody look at the board guys. இது வந்து geometric progression டா. இது வந்து geometric progression டா. எப்படி geometric progression sir? A வந்து 1 plus x to the power of 1000 sir. சரியா? Okay sir. And what is R sir? Second term divided by first term பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Yes sir. X into 1 plus x to the power of 999 divided by 1 plus x to the power of 1000 sir. சரியா? அப்போ 999 times cancel பண்ணியாச்சு. அப்போ என்ன வரும் sir? X divided by 1 plus x வந்துரும் sir. இது common ratio sir. Fine sir. But எத்தனை term sir? Number of terms எத்தனை sir? X to the power of 1000 வந்து 1 plus x to the power of 0. Sir, எப்படி sir? புரியல sir. Sir, here x to the power of 1 sir. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி x to the power of 0 இருக்கும் பாரு. X to the power of 0 வந்துரும். Yes or no? Can you all see this or not? Here x to the power of 0, x to the power of 0, x to the power of 1, x to the power of 2, all the way till x to the power of 1000. அப்போ number of terms என்னடா? Right from 0 to 1000 டா. அப்போ number of terms வந்து 1001. Do you agree with my point? Do you agree with my point? Mithu, it is okay Mithu, you can attend the class Mithu. I just started Mithu. This is the first question Mithu, please. Okay, no problem. Hi Nitin. Hi Nitin. Hi. Okay, so this is the information we all have to understand looking at the question. Sir, yeah. Fine sir. Sir, sum of the coefficients of this. What you need to find out is sum of the coefficients of these two terms in this expansion. So, இது வந்து பெரிய sum da. So, sum of how many terms we have here? 1001 terms. Sum of 1001 terms we have. So, what is the sum? Let us try to find out that. S is equal to what da? S is equal to A into 1 plus x to the power of GP oda sum enna? GP oda sum A into 1 minus R. R enna sir? 1 minus R. R enna? X divided by 1 plus x to the power of 1001 divided by 1 minus R sir, divided by 1 minus R. R என்ன sir? X by 1 plus x. இது solve பண்ணனும். டக்காட்டக் solve பண்ணலாமா? டக்காட்டக் solve பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Yes sir. Now பாரு இது என்ன sir? 1 plus x to the power of 1001 minus x to the power of 1001 divided by 1 plus x to the power of 1001 whole divided by cross multiply பண்ண என்ன வரும்? 1 plus x minus x divided by 1 plus x. And the 1 plus x வந்து reciprocate ஆயிரும். Yes or no டா? Yes or no? இது cancel பண்ணிக்கலாமா? இது cancel பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Yes sir. அப்போ if you look at this properly டா, if you look at this properly 1000 times cancel ஆயிரும் sir. அப்போ என்ன வந்துரும்? S is equal to 1 plus x 1000 times cancel ஆயிடுச்சு. So next என்ன 1 plus x to the power of 1001 minus x to the power of 1001. Okay வா? So divided by என்ன sir? Divided by 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x into 1 plus x. சரியா? Sir 1 plus x திருப்பி cancel ஆயிரும் sir. உஸ் क्या ஆயிரும்? Yes or no? Yes sir. அப்போ என்ன sir வந்துரும்? S is equal to 1 plus x to the power of 1001 minus x to the power of 1001. Sir, முடிஞ்சு. Answer முடிஞ்சுடா பாபு. See, இதுல see in all the terms add பண்ணா எனக்கு இது வந்துருச்சு. இதுல coefficient of x to the power of 499 என்ன? Coefficient of x to the power of 500 என்ன? அவரோட sum என்ன? Okay, so now if you observe this properly டா, இதுல coefficient of x to the power of 499 500 வராது. So இந்த term neglect பண்ணிக்கலாம். இந்த termல coefficient of x to the power of 499 500 term வராதுடா. You can check that. அது expand பண்ணி பாரு வராது. So அந்த term neglect பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்போ இந்த termல மட்டுக்கு என்ன பண்ணனும்? Coefficient of x to the power of 499 and coefficient of x to the power of 500 பண்ணனும். Yes or no? Mithu, this will be approximately 1.5 hours to 1.45 hours. Okay va? So please look at the board. S is equal to 1 plus x to the power of 1001 வந்துச்சுடா. So coefficient of x to the power of 499 என்னடா? 1001 C 499 தானா? இந்த எக்ஸ்பான்ஷன்ல coefficient of x to the power of 499 இதுதானா? சார் எப்படி சார்? அரே chintu, look at the board ra chintu. 1 plus x to the power of n ல coefficient of x to the power of r என்ன coefficient of x to the power of r என்னடா சொல்லணும் NCR தானே இதுல NCR is the coefficient of x to the power of r. Do you agree with my point or not? Tell me. Do you agree with my point or not? Yes or no? Yes sir. So appadi adi. So now coefficient of x to the power of 500 eppadi sir? Same. 1001 C 500. Now you got to sum they are asking. Add this NC 499 plus NC 500. So isn't this N plus 1 C R? Tell me, isn't this your answer? Isn't this your answer? Check. Option D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Eppadi sir? Eppadi sir? Arey Babu, look at the board everyone. We all should know one point. Enna point sir? Idu or point, idu or point. Enna point NCR plus NCR plus 1. NCR plus 1 da N plus 1 CR plus 1. இந்த ஃபார்முலா தெரியுமா? இந்த ஃபார்முலா தெரியுமா எல்லாருக்கும்? இந்த ஃபார்முலா எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியுமா? n plus 1 c r n plus 1 c r plus 1 புரியுதா? Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. இந்த பாயிண்ட் guys இந்த பாயிண்ட் புரியுதா? இந்த two formulas very very important. இந்த two formulas பேஸ் பண்ணி இது டிசைட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So அப்ப ஆன்சர் என்ன சார்? 1002 c 500. Any doubts? Any doubts? எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதா? क्वेश्चन நல்லா இருக்கா? எப்படி beautiful ஆன question. See, simple looks scary but we deal the question in a very beautiful manner. Everything detailedly நான் explain பண்ணிடா. Okay, everything I explain in a detailed way நீங்க solve பண்ணணும். சரியா? ஓகேவா? next question போலாமா? next move பண்ணிக்கலாமா? அரே பாபு next question போலாமா இல்லையா? ready sir? Very good sir. Next. So I want you people to understand one point. என்ன point sir இது? Sir, இது homework sir. இது எல்லாருக்கும் homework இப்போ. எப்படி sir? எப்படி solve பண்ணணும்? Same type of question da. Coefficient of x to the power of 70 in this expansion is this. Coefficient of x to the power of same above again it is following GP check. This is following GP. Please do it by your own. Idiyu 2026 la vandichira day 2026 yes or no 2026 25 I think yeah. Any doubts? Are you all understanding or not? But latest question da. Any doubt? Same way you need to do this. In the same way you all need to do it. Next question pola. Okay. So you can try that. Option B for balle will be the right answer. Sariya? Okay. I want everybody to try this da. Romba important. Okay. I'll show you one more question. Same see. Coefficient of x to the power of 48 in a same expansion check. Idiyu GP da. Idiyu homework. See. Sir, why sir you are giving so many questions as homework? Are Chintu, same type of question ra Chintu. Neenga da practice pananu. Enoda job enna? Are Chintu, idi pannida, idi solve panna ipdi vanduruda. Enoda best suggestion to you all is that you please do solve the questions I am giving as a homework. Adu romba important. Marakama, everybody should answer all the questions or answers in the chat box. Let me see how many of you are doing it. Yes or no? Mitu, adu vena Mitu? No, Mitu. Yes or no? You can do that. You can do that, Mitu. Yes. AGP, yes, Mitu. Correct. Okay, va. Mitu, correct, Mitu. Everybody should do this as well. Homework. Next. Now again, you see this. This is also homework to you all. Coefficient of x to the power of 101. This is 2022 la vandirichida day. This is homework. See, similar type of question I am putting you together to boost your confidence up. புரியுதா? First question solve பண்ணியாச்சு. இப்போ நம்மளோட டியூட்டி என்ன சார்? இதுக்கு முன்னாடி क्वेश्चन அதுக்கு முன்னாடி क्वेश्चन சால்வ் பண்ணனும். டகாடக் ஃபட்டாஃபட் சால்வ் பண்ணனும். சரியா? ஓகே, இது ஹோம்வொர்க். ட்ரை பண்ணனுடா. நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணனும் கண்டிப்பா. கான்செப்ட் வந்து சேம். இப்போ இந்த டைம்ல இந்த பீரியட்ல அப்ப இந்த ஃபேஸ் ஆஃப் யுவர் லைஃப் வேஸ்ட் பண்ண கூடாது. திஸ் ஃபேஸ் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். So everything thoroughly should solve. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்? ஓகே, just இஷ்டத்துக்கு will be sleeping on the bed like this and will watch and go and write the exam. அப்படி ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆகாதுடா தம்பி. உங்களுக்கு ரேங்க் வேணும்னா கண்டிப்பா ரொம்ப ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் அண்ட் எஃபர்ட் போடணும்டா. ஓகேவா? Effort, those who are putting a genuine effort, you all will be seeing definitely fruitful result of your April shift. Okay, those who did not do well in the first attempt is totally fine. That is the reason we all wanted to motivate you all, giving at least like most expected and important, the one which has been coming regular basis. Such questions we are picking up and trying to give you to boost your confidence. Sariya? Right, sir? Okay? Ha. So idu pannada, option A will be the right answer for this. Please try that. Okay? And right. This is all pannala. Konjam different question. Okay? Adu vandu konjam series based mari. I mean GP mari question, AGP mari question. Idukku munadi question. I mean idukku munadi pattern vandu AGP geometric progression based. I mean idukku munadi question geometric based question, geometric progression based, AGP based questions. Ipo idu vandu paru in the expansion of this here power vandu natural number okay. If the ratio of 15th term from the beginning to the 15th term from the end is 1/6, then the value of NC3 enna? Wow. Sariya? You all should know da. See, I'll give you this. Let us not waste more time. Let us try to solve quickly. Sir, ipo okay, see the first one. What they have given here? 2 power of 1/3 plus 1/3 power of 1/3 whole to the power of n. In the expression la power vandu n da, and the n da kandipidikanum. I mean n kandipidikapparam nc3 kandipidikanum. Sariya? So okay, 15th term, for example, we all know that. See, you will write it 15th term from the beginning. Okay, so beginning, we will write beginning now. Beginning, see, let me say for example, you have, let me teach you the concept here. For example, x plus y to the power of n da. Okay, so for example, I need to find out 15th term in this expansion. In the term law, 15th term from the beginning. 15th term from the beginning. Let me not write again and again this. I am not writing these two terms again and again da. Simply let me consider first term as x, second term as y. Idhukku sir, to make our calculation easy, to write in a simple way. Okay va? So beginning la 15th term enna? Okay, from the beginning 15th term enna? So what is that? Tell me. NCR. First term enna x, let me take x to the power of n minus r into what? Second term to the power of r. Correct? Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. Are you all understanding or not? Rach into. Okay, what is r, sir? What is r, sir? T15 now r value will be 14, sir. R will be 14, sir. R will be 14, sir. R will be 14, sir. Yes or no? Okay, now from the end, let me say the t dash. Okay, t dash 15 enna? See guys, enakku starting la vandu 15 term venuna, I am just writing like this. Okay, 15th term from the end venuna eppadi pananum? Arrange into same thing you write in a reciprocal, in a reverse way. Okay, you reverse this and write like this. Ipo idhula T15 from the beginning you find out. Idhula T15 from the beginning is equal to T15 from the end. Edukku? Are 15th term from the beginning da. 15th term from the end. Where? In the term la. I mean in the expansion la. Purida, in the expression la 15th term from the beginning is what? 15th term from the end. Sariya? Appo 15th term from the end enna ironda paru? NC14. First term enna? Y to the power of n minus 14. Second term to the power of 14. Purida? Appo idu by idenna? Idu by idenna? Paru, they have given it in the question. What they have given? Ratio, I mean the ratio of 15th term from the beginning to 15th term from the end, 1/6. Appo given, everybody, T15 divided by T dash 15. What endada? 1/6 given. Sariya? 1/6 given. So I want you to understand the point here. Let me just draw it. Okay, so tell me da, appo T15 enna sir? N14 NC14 cancel ayiruda. Appo cancel panna enna sa vandrum? So NC14 x to the power of n minus 14. n minus 14. Can you all see this? Yes sir. So into x to the power of minus 14 divided by nc14 y to the power of n minus 14 into y to the power of minus 14 is equal to 1 by 6. Did you all understand what I am doing? I am just shifting this term to the numerator. That is what I did. I am shifting this fellow to the denominator so that like terms can be written together. சரியா? அப்ப என்ன சாயிரும்? அப்ப என்ன சாந்துரும்? இது கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Yes sir. Now பாரு x to the power of n minus 28 bases are same, adding the powers. Denominator bases are same, adding the powers. n minus 28 is equal to 1 by 6. எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதா? அப்போ x and y என்னடா பாபு? What is x and y here? Chintu சொல்லணும். x and y என்ன? நம்மளோட क्वेश्चनல x வந்திருடா பாபு. Let us say x plus y, x வந்திரு y வந்திரு. Yes or no டா? Yes or no? அப்போ x என்ன சார்? x to the power of let me write this. x by y to the power of n minus 28 is equal to 1 by 6 டா. அப்போ x என்னடா? 2 power of 1 by 3 divided by y என்னடா? What is y da? What is y? Tell me. 3 power of 1 by 3 or not? What is y? What is y? Tell me. 3 power of minus 1 by 3. Are you all understanding or not? Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. X to the power of 1 by 3. So y will be 3 power of minus 1 by 3. Correct? 3 power of minus 1 by 3. Yes or no? So divided by y. Y என்ன sir? What is y? 1 by this. Y வந்து 1 by this. அப்போ y என்ன ஆயிரும்டா? So 3 to the power of 1 by 3. Correct? Whole to the power of n minus 28 is equal to 1 by 6. Do you all agree with my point? இது y டா. இது y. Yes or no? Are you all getting the point or not? If you don't understand that, you substitute individually, no problem. X to the power of 2 power of 1 by 3. 2 power of 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3 power of 1 by 3 sir. Whole to the power of n minus 28 is equal to 1 by 6. அப்போ என்ன இருக்கும்டா? 2 3 6. 6 to the power of 1 by 3. 6 to the power of 1 by 3. 6 to the power of 1 by 3 means n minus 28 by 3 is equal to 6 to the power of minus 1. Yes or no? Bases are same. I can equate the powers. இப்போ powers equate பண்ணிக்கலாமா? So n minus 28 is equal to minus 3 sir. அப்போ n வந்து 25 sir. n வந்து 25 sir. அப்போ என்னோட requirement என்ன sir? 25c3. 25c3 என்ன sir? 25 into 24 into 23 by 3 into 2. 6 fours 100. 100 into 23. 2300. B for balle balle is the right answer. Any doubt ra Chintu? Any doubt ra Chintu? Tell me. Any doubt ra Chintu? Yes or no? Okay. Sorry for deviation from the topic. I didn't do well in the JEE. What to do in this month, in these 2 months? JEE or boards? I used to get more than 120 to 150 in my coaching. Please clarify me. Mithu, the best suggestion would be go for JEE exam. Don't go for boards. Boards ku nadula nariya gap irukida. Oru exam ku innoru exam ku nadula gap irukku. Appo prepare pannikala. Ipo enna sir pananum? Ipo at least 120 to 150 you are getting da. You can make it up to 180, 190 plus da. Sariya? You try to bring to that. You just go through your mistakes. Enna mistake போயிட்டு இருக்கு, என்னோட மிஸ்டேக் என்ன, எப்படி ரெக்டிஃபை பண்ணணும், அதுக்கு மேல ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணு, அதுக்கு மேல வர்க் பண்ணு. சரியா? நீங்க புரியுதா மித்து நான் சொல்றது? நீங்க போர்டுக்கு மேல ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ண தேவையில்லை. ஆல்ரெடி see if you are scoring 120 to 150 in JEE exam da, கண்டிப்பா போர்டு எக்ஸாம்ல 450 கண்டிப்பா you can score. 450 கண்டிப்பா ஸ்கோர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். That is not a rocket science. சரியா? I would suggest you to focus on JEE rather than on boards. போர்டு எக்ஸாம்க்கு எக்ஸாம் நடுவுல கேப் இருக்கு, அந்த கேப் கரெக்டா படிச்சா போதும் போர்டுக்கு. சரியா? ஓகே மிதுன். Hope you all understood guys. 25c3 is equal to 2300. Any doubts? Are you all getting the point? Any doubt here people? 2300 is the right answer. 2025 question ra babu purida ellarkum? Yes sir. Next question. Okay. Everybody, this question, see, the coefficient of x to the power of 4, x to the power of 5, x to the power of 6 in the expansion of this or in arithmetic progression, then the maximum value of n enna. Guys, you all have to do this. I'll try to start and tell you what to do here. Calculation will be there in this question. Calculation will be there. You all have to understand that. Okay. 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 Right. So, okay. So how to start this? I'll tell you guys. Coefficient of, see, we all know that coefficient of x to the power of 4 in 1 plus x to the power of n is equal to enada? Is equal to what? NC4. Yes or no? Do you agree with my point? Do you agree with my point or not, people? Yes or no? Yes, sir. So coefficient of x to the power of 4 in this expansion. Similarly, coefficient of x to the power of 5 in this expansion, sir, NC5, sir. This NC6, sir. These three people are in AP da. These three people are in AP da. AP means what da? 2 times of the middle term is equal to sum of the extremes or not? Right, 2B is equal to A. If A, B, C are in AP, then formula na 2 times of B. Twice of the middle term is equal to sum of the last two terms. Other than meaning, this expand pannuda. Basic calculation, if you do it, it is all pannu. After this, you should do it. After this, you should do it. I'll tell you, you will be getting one quadratic in terms of n. You will be getting quadratic in terms of n. Quadratic in terms of n. And the quadratic n, I already did this question in the previous batch. And the quadratic n square minus 21n plus 98 is equal to 0. It is solve panna, n is equal to 14, n is equal to 7 vandrunda. They are asking the maximum value of n, which is 14 is the right answer. You all have to do is D for Delhi Baba. Any doubts? Any doubts? Are purida illiya? This is solve panna basic NCR property. NCR property use panni solve panna. எனக்கு ஒரு quadratic equation வந்துரும். அந்த quadratic equation factorize பண்ணா n is equal to 14 and 7 வந்துரும்டா. He is asking for maximum value of n. 14 is the maximum, so 14 ஆயிரும். Okay, நீங்க solve பண்ணனும். கண்டிப்பா இது solve பண்ணனும். Basic question. Yes or no? Very good Mithun. Very good Mithun. Very good Genesis-nagnam. I am sorry, I am unable to read your pronounce your name da. So different ah irukku. Are mention your name in easiest way da. Your name is Genesis-nam something. Very good da. You are doing great. KV, enna KV, enna doubt? Solanu. KV, enna doubt? Genesis. Wow. Genesis. Okay, Genesis. Peak Tamilan. Very good. KV doubt கேக்குறாங்க. என்ன KV சொல்லணும். Post your doubt. Okay, next question போலாமா? Okay, next question போலாம். சரி சார். Now see again, independent of x. The term independent of x. All the questions we are discussing is the different questions and most repeated ones. All the models will try to cover down. Okay, wow. I gave you 4 subtopics na, and the 4 subtopics mela all type of questions cover பண்றதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணிக்கலாம் சரியா? Okay, no problem. Mysonumini, please, my request to you all is that please mention your name in the easiest way. I am unable to pronounce your name. I don't know if it is your real name. If it is your real name, I am sorry, but if it is not your, if it is not your real name, mention your real name properly. Sariya, it will be easy for me to pronounce your name da. Sariya? Okay, Mithun. Yes, Mithun, very good to see this. This type of questions are terrifying me. Don't worry, Mithun. Don't fear. I am here. We'll help you out. Okay. Okay, Mohsin. Very good, Mohsin. Thank you. Thanks for clarity. Okay. Okay, in the question, எப்படி solve பண்ணனும்? Very important da. Idu very important. I'll tell you everybody, this question have come in multiple academic years. இது வந்து 2025 question da. If I am not wrong, 2021 ல வந்துருச்சு. 2020, I think 2021, 22, 25. I think 3 times I have seen this type of question da. This is 2025 question da. 2022, 2021 லையும் வந்துருச்சு. Please you have to check the academic year, but கண்டிப்பா ரொம்ப repeated on a question. Okay, so okay Mithu, ஓகே மீ டூ இண்டிபெண்டன்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் டா இண்டிபெண்டன்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் என்ன சிம்பிள் டா பாபு கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் வந்து 0 பண்ணணும் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் வந்து ஈக்குவல் டு 0 பண்ணணும் சரியா கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் எஸ் ஆர் நோ when coefficient of x na sorry coefficient of x means basically independent of x is nothing but so you need to equate the power of x with 0 sorry not coefficient of x power of x you need to equate with 0 and then find out r value okay solve பண்ணிக்கலாமா okay வா ready sir sir firstly நீங்க டைரக்ட்டா பண்ண கூடாதுடா இந்த டேர்ம் வந்து இந்த பாரு இந்த டேர்ம் வந்து கொஞ்சம் பயங்கரமான டேர்ம் see இந்த டேர்ம் வந்து ரொம்ப டேஞ்சரான டேர்ம் மாதிரி இருக்கு பாரு பார்க்கிறதுக்கு ஏதோ மாதிரி இருக்கு ரொம்ப டிஃபிகல்ட் டேர்ம் மாதிரி இருக்கிற பாபு சரியா அப்போ இந்த டேர்ம்க்கு என்ன சார் பண்ணணும் இந்த டேர்ம் மாடிஃபை பண்ணணும் எப்படி சார் மாடிஃபை பண்றது தட் இஸ் வாட் தி பியூட்டி ஆஃப் திஸ் क्वेश्चन சரியா மாடிஃபை பண்றதுக்காக என்ன பண்ணணும் I'll tell you சார் கீழ வந்து x to the power of 2 by 3 இருக்கு x to the power of 1 by 3 இருக்கு இங்க டினாமினேட்டர்ல வந்து x to the power of 1 by 2 இருக்கு இந்த நியூமரேட்டர்ல வந்து x minus 1 இருக்கு சார் அப்போ இந்த நியூமரேட்டரும் x to the power of 1 by 3 x to the power of 2 by 3 ஃபார்ம்ல கொண்டு வரதுக்கு என்ன சார் பண்ணணும் இந்த நியூமரேட்டர் you need to bring in the powers of 1 by 3 powers of 2 by 3 சரியா அதுக்கு I'll tell you one logic in the numerator I'll write like this can I write the numerator like this da x to the power of 1 by 3 to the power of 3 1 to the power of 1 by 3 to the power of 3 check can I write x plus 1 as this speak Tamil and don't worry now you will get a clarity very simple concept you don't worry you will get a clarity over here yes Sanjit very good Sanjit Kritik very good Kritik very good okay va so tell me here appo in the numerator enna idu sir appo then x minus 1 I'll write like this in the x plus 1 I wrote like this in the x minus 1 how do I write okay so in the x minus 1 how do I write tell me x minus 1 I'll be writing like this x to the power of 1 by 2 to the power of 2 minus 1 to the power of 1 by 2 to the power of 2 இப்படி எழுதலாமா yes or no tell me now very good Kritik very good you are right very good so now tell me here x plus 1 can be written as what so in the term enna irum paru appo can I write that term as see in the numerator வந்து இப்படி இருக்குடா so aq plus bq ஃபார்முலா இருக்கா இல்லையா அப்போ aq plus bq ஃபார்முலா என்ன சார் a plus b whole to the power of 3 a plus b whole cube minus a square minus ab plus b square in the numerator வந்து இப்படி வந்துருச்சுடா aq plus bq ஃபார்முலா denominatorல என்ன இருக்கு சார் x to the power of 2 by 3 minus x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 பாரு yes or no are you all getting the point or not now minus in the numerator la irukka x minus 1 can I write this as this a square minus b square எழுதலாமா so a plus b into a minus b denominator la x to the power of 1 by 2 let me take common appo x to the power of what will you get tell me x to the power of 1 by 2 if I take common x to the power of 1 by 2 then vandrum or else you take root x common simply root x common root x you can write the root x minus 1 pari so idu enna idu root x dana idu root x dana you can write x to the power of 1 by 2 as root x no problem if you don't understand that root x eludama 1 minute let me write it numerator vandu root x plus 1 into root x minus 1 check root x means x to the power of 1 by 2 a square minus b square மாதிரி இருக்கு அப்போ இது cancel பண்ணிக்கலாம் இது cancel பண்ணிக்கலாம் yes or no do you agree with my point very simple now tell me what I'm going to get here இப்போ என்ன சார் வந்துரும் x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 whole cube minus root x plus 1 divided by root x whole to the power of 10 இருக்கு பாரு whole to the power of 10 இது மறந்த கூடாது சரியா so let me create some space right here let me create கொஞ்சம் space so okay so let me create கொஞ்சம் space sir என்ன வந்துரும் பாரு so x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 to the power of 1 by 3 minus 1 x to the power of minus 1 by 2 correct? Any doubts? Any doubts? இப்படி பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. A cube plus B cube means A plus B into, sorry, here A cube வராது, A plus B into வரும், A plus B into, A plus B into, இந்த cube எதுக்கு வந்துருச்சு டே, A plus B into இது, so now இது மாறு பாரு, இது இப்போ சால்வ் பண்ண என்ன வந்துரும், இது சால்வ் பண்ணா whole power of tensor, whole power of tensor, இது simplify பண்ண பாரு, plus 1 minus 1 cancel பண்ணிக்கலாமா, plus 1 minus 1 cancel sir, plus 1 minus 1 cancel sir, அப்போ remaining term will be this. இதில் general term find out பண்ணி, general term எப்படி சார் find out பண்ணணும், NCR first term to the power of 10 minus R minus 1 to the power of R, second term to the power of R, correct? Any doubts? Yes or no? Yes sir. Now next page போலாமா sir, next page, okay, let me write, okay, next page க்கு போறேன், next page, in the next page only we'll write 10CR into x to the power of 10 minus R by 3, சரியா, TR plus 1 is equal to 10CR x to the power of 10 minus R, இங்க வரும், yes or no, 10 minus R by 3, 10 minus R by 2, 10 minus R by 3 and minus R by 2, okay, x to the power of minus R by 2 and minus 1 to the power of R I had, minus 1 to the power of R, yes or no, tell me now. So இது solve பண்ணா 10CR x to the power of bases are same, adding the powers da, so 20 minus 2R 3R, so 5R, 5R divided by what da, 6, yes or no, minus 1 to the power of R, so independent of x is nothing but what da, independent of x is nothing but we need to equate the power of x with 0 da. If I equate the power of x with 0, power of x வந்து இதுடா, independent of x is nothing but x to the power of x ஓட பவர் என்ன இருக்கணும் 0, அதுக்காக x ஓட பவர் I'm equating with 0 டா, அப்ப r வேல்யூ என்னடா, r is equal 4 தானா, r is equal 4 என்ன, r is equal 4 னா இதுல போடணும், இது ஸ்டார் ஈக்குவேஷன் சார், okay, so tr plus 1, r is equal 4 means what, basically fifth term is going to be independent of term, so tell me 10c4 minus 1 to the power of 4, so 10c4 means what da, 10 9 8 7 by 4 3 2 1, so இப்போ calculate பண்ணா என்ன வந்துரும், இது calculate பண்ணா 4 1s 4 2s 2 2 which cap 3 1s 3 3s, so 210 is answer, 210 is answer. Any doubts? Very good Kritik, okay, 210 is answer. D for etta dumul dumul, D for dumul dumul is the right answer, amukku dumula, okay, any doubt ra, okay, next question polama, very good, so x to the power of 0 we need to find out here, power of x if I equate with 0, r value 4 வந்துருச்சுடா, r value திருப்பி ஸ்டார் ஈக்குவேஷன்ல போட்டா எனக்கு 210 வந்துருச்சு, அப்படி பண்ணனும், hope you all get this point, okay, next இது பாரு, so let the coefficients of 3 consecutive terms this in the binomial expansion of this are in GP, let P be the number of all possible values of R, wow, and Q be the sum of all rational terms in the binomial expansion of this, then P plus Q is equal to dash. Romba important, in the question we have indirectly 3 sub questions da, சரியா, 3 சின்ன question ஓடு சேர்த்து they have given one big question, okay வா, very good pick Tamilan, D for derivative, yes, okay, so இது வந்து very important question again, so let us see how to deal this, okay, so let me tell you guys 3 consecutive coefficients of 3 consecutive terms da, okay, these are in GP da, these 3 terms on the GP da, so if A comma B comma C are in GP, அப்போ concept என்ன, B square is equal to AC தான concept, அப்போ TR plus 1 divided by TR is equal to TR plus 2 divided by TR plus 1, எல்லாமா இப்படி, yes or no into, எப்படி sir, and if A comma B comma C are in GP sir, அப்போ B by A is equal to C by B தான concept, common ratio should be equal, b by a, c by b, ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவல் ஆகணும். அதுதான் GP யோட கான்செப்ட். yes or no? அதுதான் GP யோட கான்செப்ட். yes or no டா? yes sir. அப்போ that is what I am doing here. I am taking this as a, b, c. so இது by இது is equal to இது by இது. that is what I did here. so cross multiply பண்ணா tr plus 1 whole square is equal to tr into tr plus 2. sir இப்படி we can write this. sir if I write this, then what am I going to write next step? how the next step is going to look like? how the next step is going to look like? I want everybody to respond in the chat box. come on. sir in this expansion they have given, sir, even you don't write doesn't make, even you don't write this doesn't make a difference da. even you don't write this it doesn't make a difference, but I'll just try to write directly da. okay, so r plus 1th term enna? what is r plus 1th term in the expansion? what is r plus 1th term in the a plus b whole to the power of 12? a plus b whole to the power of 12 enna? 12cr minus 1 is equal to r plus 2 means what? 12cr plus 1, 12cr. what I am saying, r plus 1th term of r plus 1th term in a plus b whole to the power of 12 enna? idu dana? yes. substitute with the general expansion. அப்படி பண்ணா வேணடா, simply do this. அப்போ cross multiply பண்ண என்ன வந்துரும்? cross multiply பண்ணா என்ன வந்துரும்? 12cr. I know one formula here. what is the formula, sir? we know that can I apply one formula? ncr by ncr minus 1 is equal to n minus r plus 1 divided by r. how many of you know this formula? guys, எத்தனை பேருக்கு இந்த ஃபார்முலா தெரியும்டா? ncr by ncr minus 1 வந்து n minus r plus 1 divided by r ஆயிடும். okay, very important property, we all should know this. very good Sanjit, very good Genesis, very good draw, very good draw, super draw தம்பி, very good. okay, so now can I write ncr by ncr minus 1 மாறி இருக்கா இல்லையா? இது இந்த பிளேஸ்ல இந்த ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாமா? அப்போ 12 minus r plus 1 divided by r வந்து r is equal to இது பாரு. இப்போ இது என்ன? இதையும் சேம் இந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டில மாதிரி இருக்கு பாரு. இதையும் இந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு. for this also we apply the same property. எப்படி சார்? ncr by ncr minus 1 இது r னா இதுல ஒரு கமி, இது பாரு, இது r னா இதுல ஒரு கமிக்கு இந்த ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ணியாச்சுடா. இது r னா இதுல ஒரு கமி இதுதானா? அப்போ இதுக்கு இந்த ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்ண முடியுமா? 100%. yes or no? so is equal to n minus r means what here? r plus 1 divided by r plus 1. so இது simplify பண்ண என்ன வந்துரும்? 12r plus 12 minus r square minus r plus 1 is equal to, here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, sir. so 12r minus r square. so check, minus r square cancel, plus r minus r cancel, 12r cancelled. so 12 plus 1 13 is equal to 0. 13 is equal to 0 is basically nonsense. என்னடா 13 is equal to 0 is nonsense, blunder. so there is no such r values will be possible from this da. there is no such r values possible. check, let p be the number of all possible values of r. p என்ன? possible values of r கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்போ p என்ன 0 தான். எதுக்கு 0 சார்? அரே we don't have any r values na பாபு, r values கிடையாது. அப்போ r value possible ஆகலனா p is equal to 0 தானா? எதுக்கு p சார்? p represents the number of r values டா. அப்போ எத்தனை r values possible ஆயிச்சு? 0. சுத்தமா முட்டா. சரியா? wonderful sir. சார் இப்போ சார் சரி, இப்போ tell me sir, you all should tell me one point now. okay, you tell me. so q is what? basically q be the sum of all rational terms in the expansion. okay, we all should know how to find out rational terms. q is equal to what? given q is equal to sum of all the rational terms, all the rational terms. We'll try to find out what are the rational term now. How many rational terms we have here? Our sum kandipidikanum. Panlama? Yes or no? Manoj. Okay, Manoj. Solve pananu, Manoj. He's saying okay. Okay, Manoj, it's okay. Next. Okay, Q is equal to what? Sum of all the rational terms. Rational terms in this expansion. How do you find out? So 4th root of 3 plus cube root of 4 all to the power of 12. Yes or no? Idhula rational terms kandipidikanada. Rational term kandipidikiradhukku I am going to teach you one shortcut da, but idhula vena. Ipo idhula shortcut is not going to be useful that much, but once the concept, when we solve the questions on number of rational terms, I'll teach you a bit later da, but now just try to understand how do we deal with this. What is general term for this? NCR first term to the power of first term to the power of 12 minus r, second term to the power of r. Sariya? So 12 CR 3 power of 12 minus r divided by 4 and into 4 to the power of r by 3 da. Okay, number of rational terms you need to find out da. Number of rational terms. So Q is equal to what? Sum of rational terms. Let me write here. Sum of rational or integral terms, both are same. Okay, sum of rational terms or integral terms. If they are asking you to find out rational term da, adoda meaning enna theriyuma? Rational term is what? Integral term. Purida? If they are asking you to find out rational term, which means that they are asking you to find out integral terms. Integral terms eppadi sir kandipidikanu? Integral terms enna basically in the expansion in the expression expand panna enakku 13 terms vandrum. Correct ah? In the expansion la 13 terms vandrum. And the 13 terms la ethna terms will be considered as an integers. Purida? That is what we are finding. How many integral values, how many integral terms we will be getting from this expansion? Adu find out pandradhukku we need to decide what are the possible values of r. What are the possible values of r? You tell me here clearly r will be what basically? R will be lying from 0 to 12 or not? Tell me. Clearly r will be from 0 to 12. R cannot be negative. R cannot be more than 12. Purida? R should lie between 0 to 12 da. Are R cannot be 13 da. 12 see 13 nonsense. Purida? R cannot be more than 12. So now R value let us take 0. Let us check. You need to check what are the possible R values you will be getting. So I am sure. Yes or no? Yes, very good KNMS. Okay. So let me make you understand how many are possible R values will be there. See, check R value 0 pota na savandru. R value 0 pota 12 minus 0 by 4. Yes, 12 by 4 perfectly divisible. 12 vandu perfectly divisible by 4 sir. R value 0 pota 0 by 3. 0 perfectly divisible by 3. So R 0 accept panikalam. Next R value 1 poti paru. 12 minus 1 by 4 11 by 4 varadu. So R 1 cancel. R is equal to 2 podalama. R value 2 pota 10 by 4 varadu. 10 cannot be divisible by 4 ra babu. Purida? R is equal to 2 edukka mudiyadu. R is equal to 3 substitute pari paru. 10 minus 3 9 by 4 varadu. 3 you cancel pananu. 4 party paru 4 poti paru. 12 minus 4 8 by 4. Yes, 8 by 4 vandu divisible by 8 vandu divisible by 4. Okay, but R value inga 4 R value inga 4 poti paru 4 by 3. Are நீங்க எடுக்கிற R value வந்து இங்கேயும் satisfy ஆகணும் இங்கேயும் satisfy ஆகணும். It should satisfy here and here. R value if you take 4 da 8 by 4. Okay, satisfy. But R value 4 by 3 வந்து 4 cannot be divisible by 3 da. R is equal to 4 எடுக்க முடியாது. Okay, so R is equal to 5 poti paru varadu, 6 poti paru varadu, and so on. If you check like that, R is equal to 12 is the only possible option here. R value 12 poti paru 12 minus 12. 0 is perfectly divisible by 4. R value 12 pota 12 by 3 4. So R value 0 edukanu and also 12 edukkalam. Sariya? So only two possible options for R value. Sir, I have one doubt sir. Sir, ungalku eppadi theriyum sir only two possible R values will be coming here? உங்களுக்கு எப்படி தெரியும் that you will be getting only two R values? That is what I am going to teach you a shortcut method after a while. Please stay tuned. In the question, see, I got only two possible R values. I checked individually. 0 to 12, 1 by 1 I substituted here. I checked, I got only 2 R values. But example, I am going to teach you the shortcut. Just wait. This is the method. This is the method. Method also I am teaching you. Shortcut also I will teach you. Don't worry. So, if method, you substitute R value 0 pota R value 0 pota T1. R value 0 pota 12C0. 3 to the power of 1 by 4 to the power of 0. Okay, wow. So, R value 0 pota 12 by 4 enda. 12 by 4 on the 3 da. Okay. So, this one the 1. 4 to the power of 0 1. So, R value 12 pota 13th term. 13th term. So, R value 12C12. So, 3 power of 0 1 and 12 pota 4 to the power of 4 da. Okay. So, first term and the 13th terms will be giving me an integer values. So, we have two integral terms in this expansion. Okay. So, what these ask Q enna? Q on the sum of these integral terms. Appo idu venna value na 27 idena. So idu 1 4 to the power of 4 how much da? 4 to the power of 4 is 256. So 256 plus 27 how much da? 283 So Q is equal to 27 plus 256. Q on the 289. Q on the sum of integral terms da. So they are asking for P plus Q. P on the 0 vandiruchu plus 289. 289 and 283 sorry 83 sorry yes or no da 83 dana 25 okay 25 means 275 283 yes 283 is the right answer. Any doubts? Very good peak Tamilan Talapati, very good Talapati, welcome. I am from Vidyal batch. Very good to see you here. Mithu, blast, yes, you have to blast, very good Talapati, good to see you here. Trial and error in JEE method, Manoj Kumar, I am going to teach you a beautiful shortcut for that, don't worry. Next question polama. Okay sir, okay, sir, inga pathina B for balle is the right answer. Very good question da. Question பார்க்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்குடா பட் சுத்தமா காலிதா எதுமே இல்ல simple question சிண்டு வாலா question next class வந்து 12th க்கு நினைக்கிறேன் தருண் I think on 12th தருண் next class in விவேகம் வந்து on 12th based on inverse trigonometric function தருண் மறக்காம join பண்ணனும் தருண் ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல ஆமா ஒண்ணுமே இல்லடா simple very simple question simple ரா பாபு B for balle okay வா Next question. Okay. So, நீங்க எல்லாரும் இந்த question try பண்ணனும்டா சரியா இது homework டா இது homework same type again for some let the coefficient of 5th 6th 7th terms in this binomial expansion RP then the largest coefficient in the expansion என்ன simple ஆன question டா Sanjit when will the class starts for math இது math class தானடா Sanjit இது math class தானே டேய் தம்பி when already class போயிட்டு இருக்குடா இது live டா Sanjit ji Mithu, B for Binomial Theorem, yes. Sir, shortcut, peak Tamilan, stay tuned. I'll teach you. Shortcut, everything I'll teach you, don't worry. Kandipa. Okay, Tarun. Binomial Theorem solli mudinchi. Okay. Vivegam, that is Vivegam batch 12th, on 12th you can join me. So, this answer is 35 da. Okay, you can solve pananu kandipa, okay va. Okay. And see this is also homework da sum of the coefficients of in the term in the expansion are chintu ra babu very simple question sariya you need to do this adiyum homework and see again independent of x means what da equal to the power of x with 0 adiyum pananu same type of question 2024 la vandiruchu idiyum try pananu sariya I'll be uploading these notes in the description da you can download it from there, you can try by your own. Sariya? Next. Sir, constant term in the expansion. Constant term is nothing but what? Constant term is nothing but again independent of x only. Independent of x only. Constant of x is nothing but independent of x only. You can't see this color, right? So let me write with red color. Okay. Constant term is what? Constant term is nothing but independent of x only. Independent independent of x only. Constant of the constant term in the expansion வந்து independent only. Yes, ரே மனோஜ்குமார், இது வந்து math JEE class da, இது வந்து circus கிடையாது. He is asking me to show something. என்னடா தம்பி, provide PDF of the session. Sanjit கண்டிப்பா. Afzal, good to see you Afzal. Sir, I was 30 minutes less, I was 2x and now only catched up. Very good to know. Good to know Afzal. Welcome back. Okay, math khatam ho gaya sir. Tarun, nothing will happen Tarun. Stay tuned. Padikla. Stay tuned. Don't worry. Kashtapadannu Tarun. Edume varadu. Nakul, hi. Good to see you Nakul. Sir, what is the meaning of Chintu? Chintu means basically or a cute name, nickname of my students. Basically nickname of my students வந்து Chintu, right? Chintu வந்து ஒரு கியூட்டான நேம் டா, சின்ன பையன் நேம் டா, அப்படி ஓகேவா? சரி, இது நீங்க இது சால்வ் பண்ணணும். independent of x is nothing but basically constant term தான், ஓகேவா? right sir. So again the sum of the coefficients of 3 consecutive terms in the expansion are the same story da babu. 3 consecutive terms you should take and then our sum வந்து they are in the ratio of this. Sum of the coefficients of 3 consecutive terms in the expansion of this which are in the ratio of this. Those 3 consecutive terms are in this ratio da. You need to find out r value n value da. Basically n value கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், r value கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், அதுக்கு அப்புறம் ஆன்சர் வந்துரும். ஓகேவா? இதையும் ட்ரை பண்ணணும். very easy. Yes Sanjit, almost more or less daily ஆயிருக்கும்டா, alternative days mostly, if not alternative days but otherwise daily. Okay, till we finish the syllabus in the many sessions I will be taking on regular basis. நீங்க கண்டிப்பா ஜாயின் பண்ணணும், மறக்காம உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு கூப்பிட்டு வரணும், சரியா? very important session டாரே, ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான செஷன். you will realize, இப்போ நான் எதுவுமே சொல்ல முடியாதுடா, ஆஃப்டர் ஏப்ரல் ஷிஃப்ட் you only will be coming and saying sir ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்துச்சு சார் உங்களோட செஷன், உங்களோட நோட்ஸ், ஓகேவா? ஆல்ரெடி நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் அப்படியே சொல்றாங்க. so you also will be telling the same, I'm sure. You mark my words, I can guarantee that. Okay, so Mitu, that is also going to come. Mitu, Ashriti Babu, enna doubt Ashriti? Yes Tarun, I'm back. Manoj, hi Manoj. Okay, everybody should do this da. Okay va, idu try pananu, please try pananu. Okay, and next I got many questions. You can see m and n be the coefficient, again coefficient based question. This is also homework to you all. You can try this as well. Coefficient mele that you are solving, which means that you can see based on the general term of a binomial theorem only nariya questions have come in your last 3 academic years. If you see last 3 academic years, lot of questions just on general term. If you know general term and if you see different questions, variety of the questions எனக்கு தெரியணும். ஓகே, இந்த மாதிரி வந்துச்சு, இந்த ஸ்டைல்ல வந்துச்சு எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணனும், இந்த ஸ்டைல்ல வந்துச்சு எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணனும், ஓகே, independent of x எப்படி பண்ணனும், ஓகே, we already have seen different type of questions. You please go through this. Okay va? So இதையும் ட்ரை பண்ணனும். Okay, and I'll be jumping to the next concept da. So I'll be jumping to the next concept guys. One more important thing, this is also homework. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி question also homework. எங்க இருக்குது இது homework. Sir, I tell you this is very important. You mark my words in the question. This question is very important. This kind of questions are very important. Can't understand language. Sir, for this question we want to use app. Sir, how can be a bodybuilder a math teacher? Hey Tambi, who is a bodybuilder here da? Mitu, Ashrit Babu, tell me Ashrit Babu, enna doubt solanu Ashrit Babu, enna doubt? Ashrit Babu, ungaloda doubt enna? Ashrit Babu, you have to ask me the doubt. What is your doubt? Make it fast. Ashrit Babu, what's your doubt? Ashrit, okay Ashrit, okay, tell me what is your doubt, make it fast. Okay, so post your doubt, I'll read your doubt please. I'll go through your doubt, I'll clarify your doubt, please post your doubt. The coefficient of x in the expansion of this is minus 56. Okay va, and coefficient of x square and x cube are both 0 da, then a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Sir, eppadi solve pannu? Listen to me guys, I'll tell you a logic here, you can try this. Okay va? So 1 minus 2x to the power of 26 da, individually multiply pannu. A x square into in the term, bx into in the term, c into in the term. Sir, yeah, are you getting the point or not? Ax square into 1 minus 2x to the power of 26 plus bx into 1 minus 2x to the power of 26 plus c into 1 minus 2x to the power of 26. சரியா? இப்படி expand பண்ணனும். expand பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் okay, இந்த expand பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் general term you should write. What is the general term? General term of 1 minus 2x to the power of 26. What is that? NCR first term to the power of 1 to the power of something is 1 only. So next minus 1 to the power of r into 2x to the power of r. This is the general term da. Okay, we need to find out coefficient of x square, coefficient of x cube. Neenga try pannanum. Coefficient of x square veruna from this coefficient of x to the power of 0. From this coefficient of x. From this coefficient of what? X square. Are you all getting the point or not? Neenga try pannanum, very very important. Manoj Kumar, adiyu panikalam. Wait. Permutations and combination mele oru session vandunu sir. Permutations and combination mele oru session venu sir. Sari, adiyu panikalam. Hi sir. So Virat, I don't know what is your name. Chintu plus Bantu gives Chibantu. Yes. From starting you want me to explain Arshit? Arshit Balaji. Arshit ji, listen to me. Coefficient of x in the expansion of this is equal to minus 56 kuduthirukanga da. Okay. And coefficient of x square, x cube both are 0 da. Sariya? So you just multiply each term with this term. Ax square into 1 minus 2x to the power of 26. Ipdi vandrum. Bx into this. C into this. From each term, see, in this term, which is the most repeated term? Tell me, which is the most repeated term? Which is the most repeated term? This is the most repeated term. In the pink color line is the most repeated term. And the most repeated term is the general term. If you write general term, it will be 1. Sariya? So from this, we need to find out coefficient of x square, x to the power of 3 and coefficient of x to the power of 2 and 1. Coefficient of x to the power of 1, coefficient of x to the power of 2, coefficient of x to the power of 3. You need to find out. Equate each with minus 56 and 0, 0 respectively. Yes or no? Okay, Divyesh. Arshit ji, tell me Arshit ji, understood or not? I want Arshit Babu to respond. Arshit Babu Purida. Yes. Genesis, we will do everything. Okay, Arshit, good to know Arshit. Try pannu Arshit. Ungalku puriyalena next class you should ask. Arshit Babu, if you don't understand, you should ask me the next class. Okay, Arshit Babu. Thank you, Arshit Babu. Okay, guys. Questions based on general term mudinchida. இப்போ வந்து questions based on rational and irrational terms da. Very important again. Okay, so I'll teach you the shortcut first. After that, we'll go for the questions. Okay, Arshit Babu, very good. Right. Okay, sir, the number of integral terms in the expansion of this enna 2025 question da. I'll teach you the shortcut. Shortcut panikalama? Shortcut use panikalama? Yes sir. Shortcut use panikalama? Yes. We'll use this. I'll teach you the shortcut. First listen to me da. Everybody, hello. Look at the screen. The basis, inga கீழே இருக்க basis 5 and 7 வந்து prime numbers. Okay, so for example, a to the power of 1 by n plus b to the power of 1 by m. You can say m n venada. Wait, you can take this as t plus b to the power of 1 by k whole to the power of something you have n. In the formula or term they have given to us. சரியா? They have given a term in the form of this. Okay. Now இங்க இருக்க base a and b எப்பவுமே prime numbers இருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? a and b should be எப்பவுமே prime numbers. a and b prime number வரலனா நீங்க பிரைமா கன்வர்ட் பண்ணனும். நீங்க பிரைம் you should convert into the prime number. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? a and b வந்து எப்பவுமே prime number இருக்கணும். prime number இல்லாட்டி நீங்க prime number தான் கன்வர்ட் பண்ணனும். அந்த prime number எப்படி கன்வர்ட் பண்ணனும் you all know that. சரியா? So I'll give you an example on that as well. So now first and foremost step I'll tell you. First and foremost step listen to me. Simple term. See question enna 5 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 7 to the power of 1 by 8 whole to the power of 1016 da. Sariya? Yes or no? Okay Mitu. Okay. Afzalganj, very good Afzalganj. Listen to me. In that base enna 2, in the base enna 8. Sariya? Appo in the 2, 8 oda LCM enna you always have to take the bases of the LCM of the bases. 2, 8 LCM enna 8. Okay va? 2, 8 oda LCM enna sir 8. You should divide this power in the kudutha power vandu you should divide with what LCM. What is that? If I divide with what I am going to get, tell me. 8 ones 8, 2 is a remainder 21, 8 2s 16, 8 7. So I am getting 127 here. Sariya? 127 I am getting. So either my answer will be 127 or 128. Sir, eppadi sir? Answer 127 vandiruchu sir. You are saying 127. Appo answer eppadi 128 aayum sir? That's what the question here. That is what the beauty of the shortcut. Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me here. What is the point? What is the concept here? You are taking the LCM of 2 and 8. அது வந்து 8 டா. அப்போ இந்த பவர் வந்து 8 கிட்ட டிவைட் பண்ணா 127 வந்துருச்சு சார். இப்போ என்னோட ஆன்சர் வந்து 127 plus 1. Sir, should we add this 1 or not? Can this be 1 or not? Can this be 1 or not? Can we add 1 or not? அது எப்படி சார் டிசைட் பண்ணனும்? சார் 127 வந்துருச்சு சார், fine. But 127 option A ல இருக்கு. But that is wrong I am saying. எப்படி சார்? டைரக்டா 127 சொல்ல முடியாது. I am saying your answer would be either 127 or 128. அதை டிசைட் பண்றதுக்காக you need to write general term. General term you need to write. அப்ப இதோட general term என்ன சார்? NCR first term to the power of இது minus r. சரியா? Yes or no? இது minus r. Oh my god, 1 second. 10 16 minus r. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, let me write this. Okay, into second term enna into 7 to the power of 1 by 8 to the power of r sir. Sir, if r value 0 ku check pananum. Can r be 0 or not? Guys, you got 127 answer da. Inga 1 add panano add panna kudada. Adha decide pandradhukaga I am writing general term. So if I write general term, r value I am just checking for r value 0. I am checking r value 0 over here. So r value 0 pota 1016 minus 0 by 2, 1016 by 2 perfectly divisible by 2 or not? Yes. Now r value 0 by 8, 0 is perfectly divisible by 8. So r value 0 is accepted here. R value 0 is 100% accepted here. So if r value is acceptable, then 1 add pananu. If r value is not acceptable, appo 1 add panna kudadu, panna mudiyadu. Purida? I repeat, firstly இந்த கீழ இருக்க term ஓட LCM எடுக்கணும்டா 8 வந்துருச்சு. So இந்த power divided by LCM பண்ணா எனக்கு 127 வந்துருச்சு. இப்போ 127 or 128 would be your answer. Sir, 127 or 128 எப்படி டிசைட் பண்ணனும்? 127 fix. அதுக்கு 1 add பண்ணனுமா பண்ண கூடாதா? அதை டிசைட் பண்றதுக்கு I am writing general term. அதுல for r value 0 you need to check. R value 0 is acceptable here, accepted. R value 0 accepted. Since it is accepted, 1 add பண்ணனும். If you are not accepting r value 0 here, அப்போ இங்க add பண்ண கூடாது. சரியா? இப்போ r value 0 accept ஆயிடுச்சு. So 127 plus 1 வந்து 128. B for balle balle is answer. Any doubt? Any doubts? Very good, Sai Krishna. Ashrit Babu sir, I saw I get option A. No Ashrit, option B vandrum paru. Manoj, r is equal to 0 ku, see, please listen the class, please listen the class. Spam panna kudadu, chat box la spam panna kudadu. Listen to me, very useful trick dare. So number of integral terms in the expansion on the 128 da. So 128 would be your answer. Sariya? Okay. Yes, speak Tamilan only for 0. Speak Tamilan, you are right. Only for 0 you need to check here. In the 127 la vandu 0 add agalada. Here 127 la 0 was not included. 0 ku separate check pannu. Only for 0 check pannu. Okay, speak Tamilan? Yes. So now tell me answer 128 da. I can show you a number of questions like this. Now tell me here. So sum of rational terms they are asking here. Okay, sum of rational terms. Sum of rational terms over here. Sir, for example, in the previous question they are asking you to find out number of integral terms, right sir? So integral terms or rational terms both are same. They can even ask rational terms also. Rational terms or integral terms both are same. Sir, I'll add the question now. What if I ask number of irrational terms? For example, question la ipdi vandiruchu. Find the number of irrational terms in the expansion of this. Appo eppadi pannuvan? Appo eppadi sir solve pananum? Ipo number of irrational terms ku eppadi pananum? Irrational terms. Number of irrational terms ku total minus rational pananum. Total minus rational. Total number of terms ethana? Total number of terms ethana? 1017 number of terms will be there. Total 1017 minus rational ethana vandiruchra? Total number of rational terms வந்து 128. இது பண்ணா எனக்கு irrational terms வந்துரும். Any doubts? Total minus rational panna irrational vanum. Very good DVS Sanjeet, very good wonderful DVS. Okay, next question polama. Wonderful sir. Okay, now find the sum of all the rational terms. Find the sum of rational terms in the expansion of this. Sir, takatak will solve this. You can do this. Find the firstly sum of all the rational terms they are asking. Firstly, you need to find out எத்தனை rational terms இருக்கு. How many rational terms we have in this expansion. சரியா? அதை decide பண்ணணும். Firstly, let me check the bases. 2 power of 1 by 1 plus 3 power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of 8. I am writing in this standard form. அப்போ LCM of 1, 2 which is 2. அப்போ power என்ன சார் 8 divided by 2 பண்ணா 4 சார். எனக்கு 4 rational terms வந்துருச்சு. But your answer is not 4. Either 4 or 5. எப்படி சார் டிசைட் பண்ணனும் 4 or 5 For that we need to write general term. What is the general term sir? What is the general term? NCR first term 8 by 2, let me write here 8 by 2 panna 4 sa vandiruchu. First term to the power of 8 minus r sir. Second term to the power of r. சரியா? இதுதான் என்னோட general term. இப்போ r வேல்யூ 0 க்கு செக் பண்ணனும். Checking for r is equal 0. Checking for r is equal 0. R value 0 போட்டா 8 minus 0. 8 is divisible by 1. 0 by 2. 0 is divisible by 2. Yes, R value 0 is accepted. So, total number of rational terms or integral terms. Total number of rational terms is equal to 5. Total number of rational terms is equal to 5. Sir, what are they? What are the rational terms? So I need to observe that now. I know that how many rational terms are coming now? 5 rational terms. What are those 5 rational terms? That is what the concept. So here we know that here 100% R value enada. Here R is basically R lies between 0 to 8. Here R lies between 0 to 8. 100% R lies between 0 to 8 or not? we need to check r value 0 to 1. R value 0, it could be 1, could be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It could be till 8. Yes or no? Now one by one check panikla. Total 5 r values will be accepted here. Total 5 r values will be accepted. Why? Because total 5 rational terms we have now. Sir, yeah, 5 rational terms. So 0 already accept each, sir. Already we checked for 0, sir. 0 on the accept each. 0 ka already check panna budinchi. Already we checked it. 0 already budinchida. 1 polama. 1 poti paru 7 by 1. 1 by 2 varadu. 1 varadu. Are you all getting the point or not? 1 0 budinchida. 1 varadu. 1 varadu. 1 varadu. 2 polama. 2 pota. Yes sir. 3 pota. 8 by 3. 5. 3 varadu. 4 polama. 4 varum. 4 is perfectly divisible by 2 and 1 as well. So 5 varuduma. 5 varadu. 6 polama. 8 minus 6 by 1. 6 by 2. Vandrun sir. 7 varuma. Varadu sir. 8 vandruma. Varun sir. So total paru. So possible values of r in possible r values is equal to 0, 1, not 1, sorry, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So these are the answers. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys, tell me. Yes or no, people, tell me. These are the possible values of r. 5 r values. Check number of rational terms on the 5. What are they? You put r value 0 here. Where? R value put 0 here. Let me tell you. You 1 by 1 need to put r value 0 podano, 2 podano, 4 podano, 6 podano, 8 podano. Everything you substitute and add them. Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. Everything you put there and add them. Purida? Yes or no, people? You need to put 1 by 1 and then add it here. Yes or no, people? Naveen, very good. Genesis, very good. Manoj Kumar, very good. Peak Tamilan, very good. Afzalganj, very good. Manoj Kumar, very good. Right. Okay. So you need to try this. You need to try this. Adi add panna idu vandu. Option B. Option B will be coming. Please check this. Okay, va. Add panna answer vanduruda. So neenga try pannu. Sir, the least value of n for which the number of integral terms in the binomial expansion is 183. Okay. Sir, eppadi solve pananu? Yes or no? Okay. Tell me the least value of n for which this integral terms. Everybody should answer Dare. Yes. Any doubts, people? Okay, so everybody should the same. For what value of n? Least value of n we need to try. Integral term, same integral term. Same story. You can do this as homework. Try this as homework. Next. It is very simple. Option A Option A will be the answer for this. You can try this. Okay. Next. Sum of all the rational terms. Already we did this type of question just now. This homework da. Okay. So yeah. Till this, any doubt? Next concept polama. Yes. Next concept. So finding the remainder. Finding the remainder. Questions based on finding the remainder. Okay. find the remainder. Very good. Okay, so we did finding number of rational terms, irrational terms, and finding the questions based on coefficients and independent of x and so on. We already did that. Now idu vandu finding questions, finding the remainder of so and so number when it is divided by so and so number. Yes, Manoj Kumar will teach you the shortcut as well. Yes, now the actual fun starts. This is romba important concept. Simple, romba important concept. Firstly, idhukku munadi I'll teach you some important concept. You all should know what is a negative remainder concept. This is romba useful for calculation. Negative remainder. Okay, you all should know the negative remainder concept. In the concept first I'll teach you this. This concept will be useful to make your calculation faster. Okay, cricket highlights very soon. Please mention your name. When is conic section, sir? Conic section also will be very soon. Okay, see, firstly for example, listen to me now. Listen to me. Example I'm telling you, I'll teach you the concept. See, for example, I have here 5 plus 4 or 5 plus 7 I have. 5 plus 7 when I divide with 2, what is the remainder? Remainder was the 0. Yes or no? Remainder was the sir? 0. Sir, sir? Or else you do one thing. You take here 6. You take 6 here. So when I'm dividing 5 by 2, individual remainders enada? Individual remainders enna? 5 by 2 panna remainder 1 sir. 6 by 2 panna remainder வந்து 0 sir. So overall remainder வந்து 1 plus 0 add பண்ணிக்கலாம். Individual remainder add பண்ணா எனக்கு final remainder வந்துரும். எப்பவுமே correct தான். Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. இப்படி individual remainder add பண்ணா எனக்கு final remainder என்ன? இந்த 1 the final remainder வந்து எனக்கு answer. Yes or no? You do it normally also, check. So 11 by 2 panna remainder enna? 1 only. 11 by 2 panna remainder is going to be 1 only. Are you getting the point? Remainder is going to be 1 only. If you do normally also remainder vanda, individually panna, normally panna. If you do individually, answer is 1, normally panna 1 varum. Sir, what is the use of this? No problem, peak Tamilan. This is not a headache concept. இது வந்து ரொம்ப important, ரொம்ப easy, interesting, very super important concept la peak Tamilan. நீங்க கத்துக்கணும். I'll teach you the beautiful logic. Wait. புரியுதா பாபு? இது ஒரு கான்செப்ட் தான். இது எல்லாமே ரொம்ப important. சரியா? Okay, இது ஒரு கான்செப்ட் சார். Sir, for example, same concept 5 into 6 by 2 இருக்கு சார். So 30 by 2 remainder என்ன சார்? What is the remainder sir? Remainder வந்து 0 sir. Remainder வந்து 0 sir. எப்படி sir? I'll tell you. Sir, remainder 30 by 2 எடுப்பா remainder 0 sir. But now individually பண்ணி பாரு. Remainder 1, remainder என்ன sir? 0. So 1 into 0 பண்ணா 0 தான் வந்துரும். So you can multiply the individual remainders which still gives me the final remainder. You can add the individual remainders which still gives me the final remainder. Are you getting the point or not? This is our concept. Everybody should know this. It is very important. Sir, why are you teaching all this? Arey babu, this is what very important to understand the concept. This vandu all these shortcuts, all these beautiful tricks will make your calculation very easy. Sariya? Very good. Sir, ipo negative remainder concept enna sir? This vandu very important sir. For example, I am dividing 13 with 3 da. I am dividing 13 with 3 sir. So 3/4 panikla sir. 3/4 panna remainder 1 sir. 3/4 panna remainder வந்து 1 sir. Fine. நல்லா இருக்கு sir. இது எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும் sir. We all know this sir. We studied this in 1947 sir. Right? Now let me teach you one more concept. Dividing 13 with 3. Sir, let me take next multiple of 13. Let me take the next multiple of 13. 1 minute babu. Let me take 3 5. 3 5 is enough 15. Subtract panna -2 வந்துரும் sir. Subtract panna -2 வந்துரும். Yes or no? Subtract panna -2. See now. Here the remainder is 1. Here the remainder is -2. Sir, enna sir remainder vandu -2? We have not seen this so far. Arey Chintu, that is what I am telling you. Negative remainder, right? It's a hypothetical concept. Now I'll tell you that. Babu, remainder negative la solla koodadhu. Arey Chintu, negative la solla koodadhu. I'll tell you. Sir, ipo paru. Negative remainder வந்துச்சுனா என்ன சார் பண்ணனும்? Simple. Negative remainder வந்துச்சுனா இதுக்கு உங்களோட இதுக்கு உங்களோட டிவைசர் ஆட் பண்ணனும் உங்களோட டிவைசர் ஆட் பண்ணனும் இப்போ add the divisor what I am going to get 1 வந்துரும் yes or no plus 3 பண்ணனும் நெகட்டிவ் ரிமைண்டருக்கு எப்பவுமே நெகட்டிவ் ரிமைண்டர் வந்துச்சுனா அதுக்கு எப்பவுமே டிவைசர் ஆட் பண்ணி you should make it as positive sir what is the use of this I'll tell you don't worry yes Manoj Sanjit very good சரியா this is the basic concept everybody should know now we'll solve the questions okay va we'll solve the questions let's see the question sir inga question பாத்தீங்கன்னா 64 to the power of 64 when it is divided by 7 appo remainder enna are babu answer d for Delhi budichira babu answer budichira babu sir eppadi sir d are that is what the shortcut that is what this class will teach you are you getting the point that is what this session will make you feel like are you can do the questions within seconds babu you can do the questions within seconds eppadi one sir very easy ra babu look at the board are very simple listen to me 64 can I write it as 63 plus 1 to the power of 64 to the power of 64 இந்த ரெண்டு பவர்ஸ் இருக்கு சார் ரெண்டு பவர்ஸ்மே எப்படி மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம் சரியா or not yes or no yes sir sir I am dividing this guy with 7 sir when I am dividing this guy with 7 sir now tell me sir what is the remainder individual remainders I told you na 63 by 7 remainder 0 sir appo 1 divided by 7 check remainder enna 1 divided by 7 when I am dividing 1 with 7 na 1 only varum 1 to the power of 64 into 64 which is still 1 adukku option D eppadi irukka concept very simple yes or no very good yes Manoj you are saying something Manoj I don't get your point Manoj enna Manoj Manoj is saying something to me Ramraj today I watched the vector class taken by you that was very useful thank you Ramraj thank you சரியா answer வந்து வந்தா okay va so I'll teach you one more thing now listen to me for example I'll give one more question for example one more pyq I'll give one more pyq this is also pyq only divide 51 to the power of something 13 wait let us say 2027 let's say okay let's say 2027 when I'm dividing this with 13 what is the remainder enna what is the remainder tell me what is the remainder guys sir this concept name mod enna mod are modu kadiyadra are mod kalla sir this concept name mod no Manoj what is that Manoj I didn't understand your question Manoj yes Divyesh very good Genesis no Genesis Manoj is asking something Manoj said something but he is asking me to leave it anyway okay Ramraj 3D எப்போ சார் எப்படிங்க 3D எப்போ சார் எடுப்பீங்க okay I'll take that as well tell me guys what is the remainder answer வந்து 12 ரா பாபு answer வந்து 12 எப்படி சார் 12 I'll tell you that listen to me very simple concept listen to me guys okay let me teach you this eppadi sir solve panna listen to me 51 irukku sir you all have to find the nearest multiple of what 13 so 51 ku nearest multiple of 13 enna 52 sir appo 52 minus 1 to the power of 2027 sir 1 minute let me write this answer as 1 okay so now listen so 2027 divided by what sir 13 correct sir why did you write 52 here sir why did you write 52 உங்களுக்கு 52 எப்படி சார் ஐடியா வந்துருச்சு அரே பாபு 51 க்கு நியரஸ்ட் 52 க்கு நியரா மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் 13 என்ன 52 தானா 51 க்கு நெய்பர்ஹுட்ல 51 க்கு பக்கத்துல 52 க்கு நியரஸ்டா மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் 13 வந்து 52 சார் 51 க்கு nearest multiple of 13 என்ன 52. அப்போ 52 by 30 remainder என்ன சார் 0. அப்போ -1 to the power of odd number. -1 to the power of odd number வந்து -1. -1 to the power of odd number -1 ர பாபு. -1 வந்தா -1 சொல்லக்கூடாது. That is a false remainder. That is a hypothetical concept. Don't report the remainder as negative. That is wrong. Okay, அதுக்கு divisor add பண்ணனும். இது add பண்ணா 12 வந்துரும். இது ஆன்சர். Any doubt? Yes or no? Dey Manoj 50 plus 1 எடுக்க கூடாது Manoj. 50 plus 1 எடுக்க கூடாதுடா தம்பி. 50 how come 50 is divisible by 13 da? So 52 minus 1 is the easiest number to take and calculate it. Yes or no? So 52 da எடுக்கணும். 50 எடுக்க கூடாது because 50 is not divisible by 13 da. 50 is not a multiple of 13 da. 52 da divisible by 13. Yes or no? Jenny says, just wait a minute. So BD Harini, sir, I had bought Sigma crash batch for January attempt. Should I? No. BD Harini, I don't think so. BD Harini அப்படினா கிடையாது. அந்த டெஸ்ட் சீரிஸ் தான் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். Yes. Sanjit, very good. Okay வா next போலாமா? Yes. Guys, I'll teach you that as well. Wait. Okay, so we'll go forward with the question called this. Okay, so everybody do this. Everybody should solve this. Find the remainder. Everybody look at the board. Find the remainder. Find the number alpha square plus beta square. Let this number leave the remainder alpha when it is divided by 3 da. And it will leave the remainder called beta when it divided by 7 da. Then alpha square plus beta square. Sir, listen to me guys. 2022. Somebody were asking for 2022. Listen to me Rachin. 2022 to the power of 22. When I am dividing this number with 3, remainder nada. Remainder one the alpha. Okay, so same concept, same number. When I am dividing it 7 da, appo remainder vandu beta da. So alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta square enna sir? Sir, simple sir. Let me tell you one thing, guys. When I am dividing with 3, let me write this. Wait, let me write here. So when I am dividing with 3 da, when I am dividing with 3, dividing with 3. Are you getting the point or not? Tell me. Dividing with 3. When I am dividing with 3, remainder vandu alpha. So 22 by 22 ku nearest multiple of 3 enna 21. Can I write 21? 21 minus 1 to the power of 2022 plus 1, sorry, 21 plus 1, not minus 1, divided by 3. So idhukku enna sir? This is perfectly divisible by 3 sir. This is perfectly divisible by 3 sir. Now let me tell you one point. When I am dividing 21 with 3, remainder is going to be 0. Purida? Dividing 21 with 3, remainder 0 da. So 1 to the power of 2022. 1 to the power of 2022, which is 1. And when I am dividing 2022 with 3, remainder epome 0. Plus 0 sir. So answer vandu 1 plus 0, 1. So alpha is equal to 1. When I am dividing this number with 3, remainder vandu alpha. That is equal to 1 here. Purida? Are you all getting the point? Are you all understanding? Yes or no? The same number, when I am dividing with it what? When I am dividing this with what? 7. When I am dividing this with 7, remainder of the beta sir. When I am dividing this with 7, remainder of the beta sir. So tell me now, 22 ku nearest multiple of 7 and 21. So can I write again what? 1 is the remainder here directly. 1 is the remainder directly. Eppadi sir? 21 plus 1, 2022 divided by 7 plus nearest multiple of 7 to 2022. 2022 ku nearest multiple of 2022 ku nearest multiple of 7 enna 2023. Very very important rari. 2023 minus 1 panna ipdi vandrum sir. Tell me sir, any doubts? Sir, ipo When I am dividing 21 with 7, sir, remainder 0, sir. When I am dividing 2023 with 7, sir, remainder 0, sir. Inga remainder vandu 1, sir. Inga remainder vandu minus 1 to the power of 22, sir. Appo 1 plus 1, which is 2. 1 plus 1 enna, which is 2. This is what my beta value. This is what my beta value. Appo alpha square by beta square enna thambi? Alpha square by beta square enna, sir? 1 square plus 2 square, which is 5. D for Delhi Baba is the right answer. Any doubt? Very simple. Yes, Manoj, sure. Kandipa Manoj. Sir, maths la 100 score panna biceps show panningla. Arey, idana circus aada idi biceps show pandradhukku. He's asking me to show the biceps. Re Chintu, I'm showing you what is the remainder. I'm not showing you the bicep. Please understand. You should learn what is the remainder of the given question. Yes or no, people, tell me. Any doubt? Yes, DVS, you can directly divide also, no problem. Kandipa panikla. But to make you understand like this, detailedly I explained you. But directly divide panikla. This divided by 3 panna enna vandrunda, direct 1. This divided by 7 panna remainder 1 ra babu. Simple. Are you getting the point or not? Sorry, 2, remainder on the 2. When I am dividing this with 7, remainder on the 2. When I am dividing it with 3, remainder on the 1. That's alpha, this is beta. Alpha square by beta square on the 5. Direct to panikla. Yes or no? Nightmare. Why are you spamming the chat box, nightmare? Okay, next question, sir. Okay, next question bolama. So beautiful concept. Listen to me, guys. This type of question have come in 2026 as well. This is very important. In the mari question 2026 li vandirchi, 2025 li also they asked. This 2025 question da. In the mari question 2026 li vandirchi. Yes or no? What remainder? What is 2 power of, what is the question? That 3 power of 2022 divided by 5. Day, this is sir. What is the remainder here? 3 square. Genesis, wait, I am clearing your doubt. Those who are done with this, you please solve this. Genesis, I am clearing your doubt, please. See, what is the remainder? Tell me. When I am dividing this 5, I need to create the multiple of 5 nearest to 9 here. Can I write this 9 divided by 5? Yes or no? 9. When I am dividing 9 with remainder, minus 1. Yes or no? Minus 1 to the power of double 1. So my answer is, are you getting the point or not? Yes or no? Minus 1. Minus 1 means minus 1 to the power of odd number minus 1. Minus 1 ke divisor add parano. So 4 is the answer. Genesis, you understood? Yes. So idukku Genesis, I hope I cleared your doubt. Idu konjam extra question da. Now let us solve this question. Okay va? So if you want me to just go with this, I'll do one thing. Okay. So Genesis, I added this slide as well. Okay. Now, Chintu. One minute. So screen is disturbing a bit. Just a minute. Let me solve this. Sir, now tell me, sir. The largest power of n, guys, the largest power of n when it divides with 50 factorial. The concept, I'll teach you the concept. Concept is basically finding the, can you all hear me? Yes. Finding the exponent of a prime when it divided by n factorial. So yeah, finding the exponent of a prime number when it divided by n factorial. Formula enna theriyuma? Formula is basically n by p plus n by p square plus n by p cube and so on, where this box denotes GIF, greatest integer function. This is the concept. Yes or no? Yes, Divyesh, very good. Yes, Manoj, tell me, Manoj. Okay, ma. See, n enna sir? 50 factorial. N is 50, sir. So, formula P enna sir? Prime number, which is 3. 50 by 3 plus 50 by 3 square plus 50 by 3 cube plus 50 by 3 to the power of 4 and so on. Sir, till what I should take? Till what term edakanu? Listen to me. 50 by 3 remainder enna sir? I mean 50 by 3 na? 50 by 3 is nothing but what? So 160 na? 16 point something. So 16 point something got a greatest integer enna? 16 plus 50 by 9. 50 by 9 how much da? 50 by 9 5 point something which is 5. Yes or no? 50 by 27 1 point something which is 1. So tell me here what is the answer da? 70 which is 22. 22 should be the answer. Any doubts? 22 option A for Ahmedabad, A for Agra is the right answer. Any doubt? Any doubt, Babu? Naveen, hi sir, new to Vedantu. Naveen, no problem. Naveen, Naveen, we are revising all the chapters. Naveen, we are revising all the chapters. Naveen, don't worry. Please stay tuned. We are revising all the chapters of Vidyal batch. You can join me there. I'll be teaching all the algebra part of 11th standard. So don't go panic. Naveen, Naveen. DVS, I missed the last case. அப்படி மிஸ் பண்ண கூடாத DVS, silly mistake பண்ண கூடாத DVS. நீங்க ரொம்ப silly mistake பண்றீங்கடா. கொஞ்சம் பாத்துக்கோங்கடா DVS. மனோஜ் குமார் அது வந்து நீங்க ஹோம்வொர்க் பண்ணனும் மனோஜ் குமார். சோ அதையும் பண்ணிக்கலாம் மனோஜ் குமார். Wait Manoj Kumar. அது ஒரு PYQ Manoj Kumar. That is also one PYQ Manoj Kumar. I got that question as well Manoj Kumar. Don't worry. Now இந்த question solve பண்ணனும்டா. Listen to me. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி I'll give you one concept டா. When this is 2026 question தானே. Very important. Question வந்து பெருசா இருக்குடா. But concept வந்து சிண்டுவான concept. சரியா? Sir இந்த statementல I mean this number, this பெருசா number is divided by 7 given. That is the statement number 1. Statement number 2 என்ன சார்? The integral part of this is an odd number. என்ன சார் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? இது வந்து divided by 7 சார். இது வந்து odd number. ஏனா integral part of this is an odd number. This is a beautiful question. இதென்னா beautiful question. Beautiful question. Let me see how many of you are going to do this. Yes or no? Sanjit, I'll get back to you Sanjit. I think I should ask that. I'm not sure of that. Okay. No Manoj, அது ட்ரிக்கினா கிடையாதுடா. அதையும் சால்வ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். சிம்பிளா சால்வ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Manoj, you need to split that. Okay. Everybody should do this. எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணனும்? Listen to me. So let me do one thing guys. Let me teach you one point. Note. Everybody should understand. Note and sir. Note. X to the power of n plus y to the power of n is always divisible by x plus y for all n belongs to odd. Okay, wow. This is note sir. Always. X to the power of n minus y to the power of n is always divided by x minus y for all n belongs to natural numbers. We all should know this. Very important. See, x to the power of n plus y to the power of n is always divisible by x plus y if it is, if n belongs to odd. In the powers odd வந்துருச்சுனா இந்த number எப்பவுமே x plus y கிட்ட divide ஆயிரும். இப்போ power வந்து anything it could be even, odd, but it should be natural number. In that case, this is going to be always divisible by x minus y. Yes or no? Very good. சரியா? So now tell me, now we'll go back to the question. Statement number 1. What is the statement number 1 sir? 25, all the powers are 13 only. 20, 25, 83. 20, 25, 8, 3. This number this number is divided by 7 they have given. Whether the statement 1 is correct or not check pananum. Sariya? Manoj, you try that Manoj. If you don't get it, I'll help you out Manoj. Na solidare Manoj. Flow disturb panadiga Manoj. Edime agadu. I'll try to help you out. Niga try pananu. Kandipa same logic use pananu. Nearest multiple of 13 edukanu in terms of 5. Just split that 5 and do it. You will get it. Okay va? Now pari. Sir, firstly, if I observe this da, idu plus idu panikalama pari. Idu plus idu ellama. Sir, I'll write this. 20 to the power of 13 plus 3 power of 13. Idu or term. 25 to the power of 13 plus 8 to the power of 13. Idu or term da. Sariya? Yes or no? Oranjit, wait Oranjit, let me explain this. Tell me, can I group this term, first term and last term, second term and third term I am grouping down. First, last, second, third, I am grouping like that. Sorry, eduk sir, why are you grouping like that? Appadi group panna kodadu. Wait. Appadi group panna enak useful irukad sir here. We should not group like that. I'll tell you, wait. We are grouping it wrongly here. I'll tell you, wait. So, idu group pananu. Idu group pananu. Which one? This one. And idu group pananu. First, third one oru group la irukanu. Second one and last one oru group la irukanu. Sir, edukku sir appadi 20 to the power of 13 plus 3 power of 13 plus 25, so 8, right? 8 here. 25 to the power of 13 plus 3 to the power of 13. Guys, just now I told you that the power is what here? The power is odd. When the powers are odd, this number will be always divisible by x plus y. Tell me now, this guy is going to be always divisible by 28. This guy is going to be divisible by 28 always. Now the number which is divisible by 28, this full number divisible by 7 or not? 100% yes. Do you agree? Yes or no? Divisible by 7 or not? Appo statement 1 vandu true. Understood or not? Yes sir. Manoj Kumar, very good ra. Divyesh, very good. Aranjit, very good. Purida? Yes or no? In the full term on the divisible by 7. That is what they have given. Check. Statement 1 la enna koduttirukanga. This is divisible by 7. Yes, true. Statement 1 is true da. Statement 1 is true. For statement 2 paathikalama. The integral part of this. Guys, you believe me, statement 2 is such a beautiful question. Everybody, please look at the board. I want everybody of you to listen to me carefully. Statement number 2 வந்து ரொம்ப important. Method வந்து ரொம்ப easy. I'll teach you a beautiful trick. I want everybody to look at the screen carefully. Very good. Aranjit, very good Aranjit. So the integral part of this an odd number. Adu true ah illaya check pananum. 7 plus 4 root 3 to the power of 25 ah. Okay. 7 plus 4 root 3, right? Statement number 2 I am checking da. Okay. 7 plus 4 root 3 to the power of 25. Okay va. Sir, firstly let us do one thing. I want everybody to look at the screen. Okay? Sir, this question enna pananu? If I just split this da, listen to me. Let me take this as yes, or you can take simply 7 plus 4 root 3 to the power of 25 will be always having one integral term, one fractional term. Sorry, yeah. Let us take like this. Yes or no? Are Babu, what I am saying, listen to me. Example 1 plus root 2. This add panna sa vandru 1 plus 1.414 da. Correct or not? So idana 2.414 da. 2.414 can write 0.414 plus 2. இது add பண்ணா இப்படி வந்துருடா. இதனா ஒரு integer term ஒரு fractional term. Correct or not? ஒரு rational term ஒரு irrational term can be written as integral plus fractional or not? I want everybody to understand to me carefully. ஒரு rational term plus irrational term can be written as what? I plus f. What is I here? I na integral. integral part, idana fractional part, fractional part, is an integral part. Do you agree with my point? Hope you all understand. Okay sir, now that is what I am going to use here, simple. Now tell me, let us do this. This is one side. Now let us consider if we have to conjugate 7 minus 4 root 3 to the power of 25 will be always fractional part only. Check. Let us consider this guy as f dash. Sir, why are you taking, this is what the method, this is what the method da, idu da method. இந்த மாதிரி question எப்பவுமே இப்படி தான் சால்வ் பண்ணனும். Your calculation becomes much easier. இந்த மாதிரி questions எப்பவுமே இப்படி தான் சால்வ் பண்ணனும். பாரு இது கொடுத்திருக்காங்கடா, இது வந்து will give me ஒரு integral part ஒரு fractional part. இது வந்து will be giving me always fractional part. எப்படி சார்? சார் பாரு 7 minus 4 root 3 டா, 7 minus 4 root 3 to the power of 25 sorry. So tell me 7 வந்து 7 only minus 4 root 3 means what's that? 6.9. 4 into 1.732 multiply பண்ணா 6.9 something வரும். 6.9 something na 0.1 to the power of 2025 25 sorry. இதனா less than 1 or not? Tell me. Yes or no? 0 to 1 or not? Tell me. இது வந்து 0 to 1 or not babu? This is basically fractional part or not? This is basically fractional part or not? This is basically fractional part or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Concept reminder, shortcut concept. Yes Manoj, listen to me. This is shortcut only. Listen to me guys. Are you all understanding or not? Fine sir. Fine. Sir, if I add these two, let me tell you, this is equation number 1 sir. If I add this equation number 1, let me say the equation number 2 now. Okay, wow, let me erase this. Hope you understood what I am teaching till now. Okay, what I taught till now, everybody might have understood. I am expecting that. Okay, so add panna enna sa vandrum, add panna. Idu a plus b to the power of n plus a minus b to the power of n enna vandrumna. 2 times of, we all know this. We know that a plus b to the power of n plus a minus b to the power of n is equal to 2 times of even suffixes nc0 a to the power of n b to the power of 0 plus nc2 a to the power of n minus 2 b to the power of 2 and so on. When I am adding a plus b to the power of n plus a minus b to the power of n, எப்போமே 2 times of even suffixes nc0 nc2 nc4 nc6 terms will come. புரியுதா? When I am adding two terms, when I am adding two expressions like this, எப்போமே 2 into even suffixes, even bases 0 2 4 அந்த மாதிரி வரும். So now tell me here, I am adding this a plus b to the power of n, a minus b to the power of n மாதிரி இருக்கு. அப்ப add பண்ணா 7c0 into not 7c0 25c0 into 7 to the power of 25 into 4 root 3 to the power of 0 and so on. இப்படி வரும். Yes or no? Is equal to I plus f dash. You understood or not? Tell me guys. Statement to false. Wait Rachintu. I'll make it you understand. Listen to me. You understood this or not? Tell me. Now idana sir, idu or even number sir, idu or even integer sir. Idana sir or even number, idana even integer. This is even integer is equal to I plus f dash. Correct? Idana or even integer sir, even integer is equal to what? I plus f dash. Now tell me guys, even integer, I mean I plus f dash is equal to even sir. Now tell me here, this guy is an integer. This guy is an integer. Yes or no? This is even integer. This is even integer. அப்போ ஒரு integer plus integer தான் add பண்ணனும். Integer க்கு integer தான் add பண்ணனும். Then only integer will come. Integer க்கு integer தான் add பண்ணனும். Then only integer will come. அரே பாபு, what I am saying, I வந்து என்னடா, I வந்து integral part டா, அது integer. அப்போ this fellow must be an integer. Must be an integer. புரியுதா? Everybody should listen to me carefully. Must be an integer. Yes or no? This guy must be an integer. அது என்ன சார்? அது என்ன? அது செக் பண்ணனும். Are you getting the point? இது integer சார். இது plus இது add பண்ணா எனக்கு even integer வரணும். புரியுதா? இது integer, இது add பண்ணா அதுக்கு இது add பண்ணா even வரணும். Even வரதுக்காக, to get even, what should I do? I should understand f plus f dash enna. So that is what I'm going to do here. Here we know that f, I need f plus f dash, right? I know that f lies between what? F lies between what? F lies between 0 to 1, sir. F1 the fractional part, fractional part will always lie between 0 to 1 or not? Fractional part will always lie between 0 to 1 or not? Yes, sir. And f dash also will be lying between 0 to 1 or not? F dash is also, f dash what we got? F dash one the 0.1 to the power of 2025 I got. This f dash one the 7 minus 6.9, 0.1 to the power of 25. 0.1 to the power of 25 panna அது வந்து எப்பவுமே 0 to 1 I mean 0 to 1 உள்ள தான் வரும். 0 to 1 குள்ள தான் வரும் f dash also. இது ரெண்டுமே ஆட் பண்ணனும். Add these two. 0 plus 0 0 f plus f dash. Okay, f plus f dash. 1 plus 1 2. புரியுதா? So listen to me. Listen to me guys. Listen to me. Okay, let me write here. Okay, so tell me now 0 to 2 க்கு நடுவுல ஒரு இன்டிஜர் என்ன? அரே பாபு f plus f dash should be an integer டா. அது என்ன இன்டிஜர்? அது என்ன இன்டிஜர்? Therefore f plus f dash should be equal to 1. F plus f dash should be equal to 1. எதுக்கு? அரே பாபு f plus f dash must be an integer. 0 க்கு 2 க்கு நடுவுல இருக்க இன்டிஜர் என்ன? 1 தான். அதுக்கு 1 பாரு. பிடிச்சடா பாபு. ஆன்சர் பிடிச்சு பாரு. ஆன்சர் பிடிச்சு பாரு. இன்டிஜர் பிளஸ் 1. இது என்ன வந்துருச்சுடா? f plus f dash வந்து 1 here. 0 to 2 I mean 0 to 2 which integer we have? 1. ஓகேவா? 0 க்கு 2 க்கு நடுவுல இருக்க இன்டிஜர் வந்து 1. சோ இது வந்து 1 வந்துருச்சு சார். ஓகே. 1 is equal to even. அப்போ I is equal to என்னடா? Even minus 1. அப்போ I is equal to what டா? Odd integer தானடா. So I வந்து odd. Yes or no? I வந்து odd. So பாரு. So integral part of this. Integral part is what? I தானா? I of this guy is an odd number. I of this guy is odd number. Statement 2 you correct. Statement 1, statement 2 both are correct. C for Chintu is the right answer. Any doubt? Sanjit, since I am explaining you detailedly adukkaga konjam time edukkrada. Example ipdi panna mudiyadha. Neenga takatak pananum. Practice pananum. Yes or no? Did you all get the point or not people? இது வந்து see ரொம்ப important ஆன question டா. இது கண்டிப்பா வந்துரும்டா. Advanced very important. இது see பாரு very important. இது very important. Very good. Manoj Kumar, you are diverting the concept Manoj Kumar. நீங்க இது பார்த்தனும் Manoj Kumar. இது புரியுதா Manoj Kumar? இது ரொம்ப important டா. அது விடுடா. அது முடிஞ்சிடா டேய். இங்க வாடா டேய் தம்பி. Thank you. So what a mind blowing concept. Wow. Divyesh, yes Divyesh, it's a good question, good concept. Shortcut na kadiyada cricket highlights idha shortcut da ipdi da pananum. Manoj enoda suggestion vandu neenga inga focus pananum Manoj. Adu vidu Manoj, adu vidu inga vaada Manoj. Idu solve pannikalada, idu romba useful dare, romba useful ana concept. Adu vandu vandirchi. Yes or no? Yes Divyesh, very good. Sariya? Okay, புரியுதா இது? எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதா? ரொம்ப important, ரொம்ப useful on a method. Okay va? So C for Chintu வந்துருச்சு. That is why I told this is a beautiful question. சரியா? Right sir. Guys, this have come 2026 ready. This have come in 2026. There is no surprise that இந்த மாதிரி question ஏப்ரல்லையும் வந்துரும். ஏப்ரல் செஷன்ல கண்டிப்பா வந்துரும்டா. எல்லாமே கத்துக்கணும். சரியா? Right. Okay. Right. So next, this method is also very important. Listen to me. Fractional part of the number is equal to dash. Fractional part of the number is equal to dash. What is the fractional part of this? Simply enna paranu, fractional part of this is basically eppome concept. Whenever fractional part of this guy means asking you to find a remainder. Always find the remainder and the same denominator. This is your answer. Firstly, you find out the remainder of this and divide, write the 15 in the denominator. Write 15 in the denominator. So, என்ன optionல 15 இருக்கு? Sir, in every option 15 இருக்கு sir. Okay, அப்போ divide பண்ணணும். See, what is the remainder da? Remainder of, இது divide பண்ண என்ன வந்துரும்? Remainder என்னடா? 4 square is 16, 1011 by 15. I am creating one number which is nearest to 15 da. I am creating one number which is nearest multiple of 15, 16, correct? So can I write like this? 16 plus 1, 1011 by 15. Okay, this divide பண்ண என்ன வந்துரும்? 15 1s 15. Yes or no da? So 15 plus 1, sorry. It's 15 plus 1. Is my bad. My 15 plus 1 here. So 15 plus 1 da. 15 plus remainder 0 sir. 1 plus 1 to the power of 1 to the power of 1011. Remainder 1 sir. Remainder 1 sir. அப்போ remainder என்ன வந்துருச்சு? 1 divided by 15. This is the answer. C for Chintu again. Any doubts? No Manoj Kumar அப்படி வேணாம் Manoj Kumar இப்படி பண்ணு. I am saying the shortcut. இப்படி solve பண்ணா ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா ரொம்ப ஈஸியா பண்ணிக்கலாம். Yes or no? புரியுதா? எப்பவுமே fractional part of something will be asked. Fractional part of, for example, I am asking some random question to you. 6 to the power of 2026. Okay, divided by you say 17. This is a homework. You can try this. Okay, so everybody should try this. Okay, so fractional part of this is now. This is the homework to you all. You can try this at home. Sariya? So I am giving this as a homework. You can try this at home. Sariya? Yes or no? Sir, what is 0? Enga 0 da? 0 na kadayada thambi. See, remainder, when I am dividing this number 15, remainder on the 1 da, divided by 15. So option C for Chintu is the right answer. Okay, next. So you all should try this. You try this. This is a homework to you all. This is a homework. Okay. Pare. Ida portion is pare. You need to apply the note. This is homework. You need to use the note. I gave the note na. X to the power of n plus y to the power of n is always divisible by x plus y when n belongs to odd number. X to the power of y minus y to the power of y is always divisible by x minus y when n belongs to natural number. And the property use for in the property, sir. I will show it to you. In the property apply பண்ணனும். இந்த property apply பண்ணா இது வந்துரும். Okay வா? So இது homework da babu. Simple rare. இது homework 2022 question. I got many questions for you. இது homework. Guys, actually the beauty of the remainder concept is what தெரியுமா? The beauty of the remainder concept என்ன தெரியுமா? Sometimes we are squaring but sometimes not y. எங்க genesis? Sometimes square by. எங்க sometimes squaring, sometimes not squaring. எங்க புரியல? Where you are saying? Genesis எங்க புரியல? Where you are saying so squaring and not squaring? Sometimes squaring, sometimes not squaring. எங்கடா புரியல? Genesis, you please tell me where are we squaring, where are we not squaring? I don't get your question. Anyway, okay, this is your homework da. You all have to practice this. I forgot to tell you one point na. Enna point na? Idu vandu 2022 lo vandiruchida. So power is 2022 here. Sariya? So there is a high chance that if you are writing the exam in 2026, there could be a power with 2026. A number of power can come as 2026. Those who are writing this exam, JEE exam in 2027, there is a high chance that or number of power will be 2027. Sariya? So Nisards sir, NIT Trichy college fee evalo sir. Are thambi college fee ellame college poi paathukalada. இப்போ JEE எக்ஸாம் எழுதணும், JEE எக்ஸாம் படிக்கணும். என்னடா நீ கேக்குற? சரி நிறைய இருக்கும்டா. நிசாட் even all India number 1 ranker has to pay the fee in college. There is no free seat. Everybody should pay. சரியா? Okay, previous question la enga genesis purila. Previous question la sometime we are squaring, sometime we are not squaring. Engada ida here. Where are we squaring da? Inga square pannalada. Here you are saying, this one you are saying, it is square kadayadu. See, 15 ku nearest multiple enna? 16 dana. So I am bringing 16 in the powers of 4. That is the reason I am writing 4 square here. Yes or no? Inga paru 4 square. If you write 4 square and see paru, this rendume multiply panne paru. This rendume multiply panne paru ipdi varum. I am writing 4 square because 4 square panna 16 vandrum. 16 is the nearest multiple of 15. Adukkaga appadi pandra. Sariya? Appadi panna mudiyadhu. Directly eppadi panna mudiyumda? 4 by 15. 4 by 15 vandu paru. 4 by 15 panna kudadu. 4 convert into 16 such a way that it will be easy for the calculation. Appadi panna kudadu Genesis. Calculation lengthy ayirum appo. That is what I am telling you the tricks. That is the use of using the shortcut here. Okay ba? So again, this is also, see, this is 2023 question da. It is 2023 question and the power bar 2023. Yes or no? So homework question to you all. Please try this genuinely. Okay. Yeah. So one last concept of today. Sanjit வேணா Sanjit அது வேணா அது ரொம்ப அப்படியும் பண்ணிக்கலாம் Sanjit பட் ரொம்ப லென்த்திடா அப்போ ஷார்ட்கட் யூஸ் பண்றதுக்கு இப்படி தான யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஷார்ட்கட் யூஸ் பண்றதுக்கு இப்படி தான் பண்ணனும் அப்போ பண்ணாத மெத்தட் அதே பண்ணிக்கலாம் பட் ரொம்ப லென்த்தியான மெத்தட் that will take so much of time that will kill your time இப்படி பண்ணி பாரு டக் ஃபட்டாஃபட் வந்துரும் ஆன்சர் திவேஷ் வேணா அது வேணா திவேஷ் see the basic USB of the session enna theriyuma Divesh important questions expected concepts multinomial theorem also you can study greatest integer term as well numerically greatest term as well you can study but the basic USB and objective of this session is that important questions adukaga okay so questions based on sum of binomial coefficients okay so Manoj Kumar I will do it Manoj Kumar see we cannot keep solving binomial remainder theorem questions only right remainder based questions only we cannot solve there are so many concepts to be done this last concept is the questions finish panni next pola no Sanjit yeah Sanjit mostly yeah 9:15 mostly okay wow so yes okay let's do this guys this is 2026 question da so let us deal with this how do we do this sir s is equal to this up to 13 terms then 13 times of s is equal to 2 power of k by n factorial appo n plus k na so I'll do one thing da I will just multiply and divide with the 26 here I am multiplying and dividing with the 26 kita multiply panni divide pananum pari 26 factorial sorry not 26 factorial kita multiply divide pani panna multiply with 26 factorial divide with 26 factorial da sariya so 1 by 26 factorial into 26 factorial correct ah so 26 factorial by 3 factorial into 25 factorial plus 26 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 25 factorial and so on till up to 13th term da sariya so par all alternative terms are coming here par 1 3 5 next enna vandrum 7 purida yes or no so 26 factorial by 7 factorial into 25 factorial and so on till 13th term means 25 factorial by 1 factorial check are you all getting the point or not sir started with 1 sir next term 3 sir next 5 sir 7 and so on till 13th term on the 25 only check puriyudha na solradhu 1 3 5 7 and so on 13th term on the 25 that is the reason 25 I am writing next 25 factorial and so on are you getting the point or not yes or no people so yes oh no here wait not 25 factorial now here change age par yes here to 23 factorial sorry here 23 factorial now inga vandu 21 factorial and so on till 1 factorial. Okay, wow. Yes or no? 25, 23, 21 factorial here and so on till 1 factorial. Purida? Nisards, no problem, Nisards. Okay, wow. So tell me here, now tell me how do we do this? S is equal to 1 by 26 factorial, and tell me this can be written as what? 26C 25, correct? 26C 25 then 26C 23 plus 26C 21 and so on till 26C 1. Do you agree with my point? Yes or no? So S is equal to 1 by 26 factorial. See 26 1 to 26 26C 1 to 26C 25 Sariya. Which means what this is basically 2 power of 26 by 2. Eppadi sir? Re NC0 to NCN enada 2 power of n yes or no? Adala exactly 26 terms la half terms we have here. So adikaga I am writing like this. Any doubts? Any doubts? I want everybody to be focused. Any doubt till this? Yes or no? 26C1, 26C2 and so on till 26C25. That is 2 power of n by 2. So what I am going to tell me here? So this is equal to 13 times of S. 13 times of S means what? Multiply 13. Multiply 13. 13 by 26 factorial into 2 power of 26 by 2. So this is equal to what? This is equal to what? 13S. This is equal to what basically? 2 power of k divided by n factorial. Okay. Appo k value enna sir? N value vandu 2 power of k by 2 factorial. N value vandu enna? N value is basically what? K value is 26. K value is 26. 25 sorry. 25 yes. Edhikku 25 sir? Cancel pananu. 25. K value 25 sir. K value is 25. Check. 2 power of k. Appo n enna sir? N factorial. N vandu 26. K value 25. Tell me any doubts? Yes or no? N 26, K 25 Appo n plus enna sir? N plus k enna? N plus k is 51. So C for Chintu is the right answer. Any doubt? Yes, Nisart. Yes or no? Inga 13 Ray. The DVS paru, they are giving 13S. DVS 13S kutrikanga DVS. 13S given. It is yes babu. We have to find out 13S. Please understand that. 13S we need to find out. Purida. Okay sir. Please read the question properly. Option C for Chintu is the right answer. Next. You can see that C for Chintu. Next. 2025 question again. This kind of question is called binomial series. Correct? Yes or no? Not binomial series, sir. This question is basically NCR formula, sir. NCR formula mela panikla. Yes or no? We will write general term for this. This solve panikla. Pare. This eppadi sir solve paranu? I want everybody to look at the screen carefully. Check. Okay, DVS, no problem. DVS, please don't do that. DVS, ininga focus parano DVS. Silly mistake panakudadu DVS. Please check that. Okay, wow. What is the general term? What is the general term, Babu? What is the general term? Tell me here. R square. Can I write like this? R is equal to 1 to 15 R square into NCR. Can I write like this? Tell me. Sir, why didn't you take 13? Hey, எங்க 13 டா பாரு. இங்க 13 வராது, இங்க 13 வராது, இங்க 1 தான், sorry. Here 1 only. Check. 1 by 26. Yes. Yes or no? S is equal to 1 by 26s by 2, and 13s is nothing but what is 13s? Thirteen times of s panna 2026 by s. Yes or no? S is equal to that. Please check. I think 13s வராக்கூடாதுடா. 13s வந்துச்சுனா ஆன்சர் ராங் ஆயிரும் அப்போ. Yes, I think your doubt is correct. User no. Yes. 13 எப்படி வந்துரும்டா? See, s வந்துதுடா. So இது கேன்சல் பண்ணா எனக்கு 25 வந்துருச்சு பாரு. 2 power of 25 கரெக்ட்டா? 1 by 26 factorial correct only. Okay. இப்போ 13 where 13 will go? Where 13 will go? இங்க 13 தானே இருக்கணும். 13s means it is da, it multiply 13 with means what? If you multiply this with 13 by 26 factorial into idu, appo 13 we are not taking this. So question is correct. I mean the doubt is valid here. So here I feel 13 should not come. If 13 is coming, then 2 power of k ku 2 power of 25 correct. N factorial ku 26 factorial. Inga 13 varakudadu I feel. Yes. Then yes. This is actually 2026 question, the memory based question maybe. Here 13 should not come. Yeah, maybe 13 should not come here. If 13 வரலனா, இந்த 13 வரலனா இங்கேயும் வரக்கூடாது. இங்க வரக்கூடாதுனா இங்க 1 தான் வரும். அப்போ N26. Okay, this is simply yes only. Okay, simply yes only. So correct ah. So yeah, this is what we should do it. Here 2 power of 25 avada. Okay va, now correct only, check. Now it is correct. Yeah, maybe. So 13 years varakudadu. This 13 years vanda the answer wrong ayiruga. Correct only. What is your name? User no. Yes, very good, user no. Everybody should do this now. Now tell me, how do you do this? Tell me, how do you do this here? So how do you do this? Tell me guys. If you do this, r is equal to 1 to 15, sir. R square, let me write r into r. NCR can be written as n by r into n minus 1 CR minus 1, sir. Everybody should know this formula da. NCR can always be written as this. NCR can be always written as, okay va, it is very very important da. Yes. R cancel iron, sir. Appo what is n, sir? Here what is n? 15, sir. N வந்து number of 15. So 15 வெளிய வந்துரும். Sigma r is equal to 1 to 15 r into n minus 1 CR minus 1, sir. திருப்பி இந்த ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்றதுக்கு டா, tell me, திருப்பி இந்த ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்றதுக்கு என்ன சார் பண்ணனும்? இங்க இந்த டேர்ம் ரெண்டுமே சேம் இருக்கணும். எஸ் ஆர் நோ டா? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? See, I have here NCR க்கு n by r into n minus 1 CR minus 1 I wrote. அப்போ திருப்பி இந்த ஃபார்முலா இங்க அப்ளை பண்றதுக்கு என்ன சார் பண்ணனும்? திருப்பி இந்த ஃபார்முலா இங்க அப்ளை பண்றதுக்கு என்ன வேணும்? Sigma r is equal to 1 to 15. So let me add and subtract 1 da. Let me add and subtract 1. எதுக்கு சார்? Please listen to me carefully da. இது வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான கான்செப்ட். Tell me. So I am adding 1, subtracting 1 here. Sir, என்ன சார் யூஸ்? அப்படி பண்ணா என்ன சார் யூஸ்? அப்படி பண்ணா என்ன சார் யூஸ்? Now you will see that. 15 as it is da. So இப்போ மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாமா? இது into இது into இது இண்டிவிஜுவலா மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம். Yes or no? DVS very good. You can do like that also, no problem. Okay va? அப்படி மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா எப்படி சார் வரும்? 15 as it is r minus 1 into n minus 1 c r minus 1 plus n minus 1 cr minus 1. Yes or no? So 15 வெளியே அப்படியே வந்துரும்டா. Sigma r is equal to 1 to 15. Okay வா? Okay, so 15 you write as it is. Now tell me here, so how do I write here? Tell me. Sigma r is equal to 1 to 15, r minus 1 as it is. This can be written as n minus 1 by, n minus 1 by r minus 1 into what? n minus 2 into cr, n minus 2 cr minus 2, correct? Plus இந்த divider வரக்கூடாதுடா, இங்க divider வரக்கூடாது. Anyway, let me write. Okay, so plus, tell me here, n minus 1 cr minus 1, correct? Plus n minus 1 cr minus 1. n minus 1 means what? N minus 1 means 14, correct? N value 15, 14 cr minus 1. Sigma r is equal to 1 to 15, 14 cr minus 1. Correct? N value 15 here, so n minus 1 is 14. N is equal to 15 now. Correct? Yes or no? You all tell me guys. இப்போ இது cancel பண்ணிக்கலாமா? So n minus 1 means what? N minus 1 means what? 14 here. Any doubts? N minus 2 means what? 13 here. N minus 2 means what? 13. Do you agree with my point? Do you agree with my point? Yes or no? 15 as it is. 15 as it is. Sigma r is equal to 1 to 15, 14. So this 14 can be written outside now. Otherwise, no problem, write inside only. It's okay. So 14 into, you can write outside the sigma. 14 into sigma r is equal to 1 to 15, n minus 2 c r minus 2 plus sigma r is equal to 1 to 15, 14 c r minus 1. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? Listen to me carefully. This calculations will be கொஞ்சம் lengthy, நீங்க careful பாத்தணும். Okay, this questions based on binomial coefficients will be lengthy only. நீங்க கண்டிப்பா careful பண்ணணும். Okay, so இப்போ பண்ண என்ன வரும்? 14 into, guys here r minus 2 இருக்கு. இங்க r is equal to 1. It started with r is equal to 1. If I put r value 1, base வந்து minus ஆயிரும். அப்படி எடுக்க கூடாது. So r value 2 ல எடுக்கணும். You take r value 2. R value from, you take the r values from 2 da. So if I take that, what I'm going to get, tell me now. N minus 2 c0 plus, n minus 2 means basically what da? N value enna sir? What is n value sir? N value vandu 15 sir. So n value 15 na 13 cr minus 2, correct? 13 cr minus 2 or not? So can I write 13 c0 plus 13c1 plus and so on till 13c what? 13. Are you all getting the point? Plus r values right from 1 to 15. So 14c0 plus 14c1 plus and so on till 14c14. We got the answer. That's it. Now you all have to do it carefully da. Konjam careful pananum. From this step onwards konjam careful pananum. Okay, so into, okay, so let me create a space here. Okay, let me create a space. Okay, so let me create space here, right? So tell me here, what is the final answer is going to be? Final answer, I'm writing in the green color, 15 as it is into 14, 13c0 to 13c13. What is the answer? 2 power of 13, 2 power of 13, correct? Plus 2 power of 14 is it? Yes or no, tell me? Are you all getting the point or not? Tell me. Sir, now tell me, 15 as it is, 15 on the veliya. Okay, so 2, can I write this as 7 into 2 power of 14? plus 2 power of 14 sir. Okay, 15 as it is. Now 2 power of 14 common, 7 plus 1 8, correct? So 15 I am writing 3 into 5 and 2 power of 17, correct? 8 I am writing it as 2 cubed, 2 cube into 2 power of 14, 2 power of 17. Yes, this is equal to what? 2 power of m into 3 power of n into 5 power of k. So m value வந்து 17, n value is 1, k value is 1. So 17 plus 1 வந்து 19. B for Bombay is the right answer. So m is equal to 17, n value is equal to 1, k value is equal to 1. M plus n plus k na is equal to 19. Good question. Very, very good question. Any doubt? Any doubt, people tell me? Any doubt here? Yes or no? Yes sir. So option B for Bombay is the right answer. Next. So idi pananu, this is 2023 question. We call this as a binomial series. We call this as a binomial series. Idi eppadi pananu? Last question of the day. Last question of the day, please stay tuned. If let us take this as s. S is equal to what? 30c1 whole square plus 1 into 30, right? So 2 into 30c2 whole square plus 3 into 30c3. Okay, so whole square. I think question, something is missing in the question. Here dash 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 will come now. Here 3 basically. Here 3 only will come. Okay, something is mistake here. 3 and so on. 30 into 30c30. 30 to 30c30 whole square. You should write that. Okay, so yes. Manoj Kumar, stay tuned. Manoj Kumar, last question. And so on till 30c30 whole square. Correct? Can we write like this? This is what given to us. Now I am reversing the Esra. So whenever you get this type of question, 1 into 30c1 whole square, 2 into 30c2 whole square, இந்த மாதிரி question வந்துருச்சுனா எப்போவே firstly நீங்க இப்படி எழுதணும். இதுக்கு ரிவர்ஸ் என்ன சார்? இது ரிவர்ஸ் போட்டா என்ன வந்துரும்? 30 into 30c30 whole square plus 29 into 30c29 whole square and so on. Next 28 into 30c28 and so on till 30 into 30c0 whole square. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. இது ரெண்டுமே ஆட் பண்ணா என்ன வந்துரும்? ஆட் பண்ணி பாரு. S plus S 2s. See here 30c1 and 30c. Here 30c1 and 30c both are same or not? Tell me. Actually something is missing here. Here it should start with 0 da. Wait. Question is given as wrongly here. 30c0. It should start with 0 da. So 0 plus. Okay. So 0 plus something we don't have to bother about it. But listen to me. Yes. We need to add that down. We need to add 0 into 30c0 here. So firstly start with this. So 0 into, let me write 0 into 30c0 whole square. Okay, this 1, this 2 and so on. Okay, so 30c0. This is now 1. This is now 1. 30c1. This is now 2. 30c2. Okay, so 0 is not given here. You need to add 0. So if I add 0, what happens? Let me know. If I add 0 only, when I am writing in the reverse order, it will be matching. See, 30c0, 30c30 both are same. 30c0, 30c30 both are same. So tell me here, 2 times of what? 2 times of what? 2 times of what? So basically 2 times of this. Basically 30 times of 30c30 whole square plus 29 plus 1. 30 times of 20 times of what? 30c. You can write it as 0, right? So both are same, right? 30c1, 30c29 both are same only. So 30 times of 30c1 whole square. 2 plus 28, 30. So 30c2, 30c28 how much? 30c 2 whole square and so on till how much? It is 0 sir, it is 0. So 30 times of 30c 30 whole square. Correct? Yes sir, no? We have a direct formula for this. இதுக்கு எனக்கு direct formula இருக்கு. என்ன sir? 2s is equal to 30 common எடுக்கணும். So 30c0 square, nc0 square, nc1 square, nc2 square, nc3 square and so on till ncn square. அதுக்கு formula என்ன தெரியுமா? 2 times of n cn. இதுதான் formula. Formula என்னடா? Formula is basically 2ncn. nc0 square plus nc1 square and so on till ncn square formula வந்து 2ncn. Okay வா? If I write that, what I'm going to get da? If I'm going to write that, what I'm going to write, tell me. Okay, so 30cn formula is, what is the formula, tell me. So here 2s 30 into 60 c 30. Check. They have given it as what da? They have given it as what? Basically this. So tell me, how do I write now? Tell me, how do I proceed further? 30c 30 can be written as what da? 30c 30 can be written as what? In terms of factorial, you need to write 2s is equal to 30 into 60 factorial divided by 30 factorial into 30 factorial. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. So is equal to alpha into 60 factorial. Okay, and alpha value sir, what is the alpha value? Cancel panni paru, alpha is equal to what da? Cancel panni paru, alpha is equal to 15 dana? Yes or no? Cancel panna, alpha is equal to 15. Are you getting the point? 2 1s 2 15s. So alpha into 60 factorial by 30 factorial we have given. So alpha is equal to what? 15. C for Chintu is the right answer. Any doubt? Very good Manoj Kumar. Okay va? Yes sir. Right. So basically this is how we deal with this type of question da. So this is the homework, please try this. This is the homework, please try this. And this is also homework, please try this. This is 2026 question only. Please try this. Okay. And this is also homework, the JEE 2026 question. Okay. So yeah, this is what the today's session is all about. Yes, binomial theorem will be a bit lengthy calculation wise. As far as the binomial, sum of binomial coefficient concerns da, calculations will be slightly lengthy da. So adu konjam mind already like premeditated short. Okay, you need to be predetermined and premeditated, calculation pananu. You already mentally fix ayiponum seriya. Okay, sum of binomial coefficient na kandipa calculations vandu nariya vandrum. Big calculations will be coming. So adakaga we always have to be ready to do the calculations. It's simple only, just if you need to apply the properties you can do it. But remainder based questions, finding number of integral and rational terms or coefficient based questions, first 3 concepts will be easy da, but the last, whenever the questions on sum of binomial coefficients, adu vandu konjam romba calculation well lengthy ah poirum. So adukku konjam neenga careful ah pananum. Adu simple da, all the properties you should know. So it will be simple only, so there will not be any sort of issue. So make sure that you are practicing all the questions I gave it to you. So I want everybody to post your answers in the chat box. Your notes, the session or notes will be uploaded in the description, so you all can download the notes from the description. And marakama ungaloda friends ku share pannunga. And kandipa you need to subscribe our channel. The channel name is this, right? So please subscribe the channel, please do share it to your friends. And please download the notes from the description as well. Okay. Yes, we can do that. I'm not getting the adding step. Any adding step you are not getting da? Adding step you are not getting da? Careful ah paarare thambi. Sanjit, careful ah pananu. Manoj, you can try that question Manoj. If you don't get it, you ask me in the next class Manoj. We will do it Manoj. Okay. Right. Okay, yes, I'm adding this to s plus s 2s, 0 plus 30 30. This is renduve same da. So I'm writing 30c0 square. 1 plus 29 30 இது ரெண்டுமே சேம் தான். so 30 c1 whole square. 2 plus 28 30 இது ரெண்டுமே சேம் தான். I'm writing like this. 30 plus 0 30 30 c 0 30 c 30 both are same only, so 30 c 30 I'm writing. so பாரு இந்த formula I'm applying 2ncn formula. so 2ncn means 2 into n. n என்ன 30, so n என்னடா 30 30 தானே n 30, so 60 c 30 that can be written as this 2 1s 2 15s alpha is equal 15. that's how we do it. okay, right. so thank you all for joining me, thank you all for patiently answering me. so really happy taking the classes for you all. so we'll meet you in the next class. until then, tada, bye bye, good night. what are the sum binomial summation series? okay, we'll do that. okay, so thank you all guys, we'll meet you in the next session. until then, tada, bye bye, good night.